Bro, they're calling it an island reversal, and it's a very rare strategy that just happened. Or setup? Or setup? Yeah, that's what they're saying. It's a very rare formation that's happening right now that's called the island reversal. I don't know if they're talking about the Island Boys or what, but yeah, that's the island. There's the bearish gap, sell stop, some other bullshit. I don't know. It's very bearish though. Dude, what happened to crypto, bro? What the fuck? 1.8 trillion, huh? It actually fell down a little bit more, bro. 1.79 trillion. We're down 10.63% on the fucking crypto market cap. Bitcoin hit 38,412. Oh my lord. Ethereum, my guy. What did they do to you? At least BNB's holding up before 16. Man, we're still up a lot on BNB. Those coins down to 15.15. Whoo. Man. Oh, Netflix. Where's Netflix? Yeah, I'm going to be paying attention to the fucking Ford, Netflix. Excuse me. Some more automakers. That's wild, bro. I mean, fuck. People were trying to say the NASDAQ hit a bottom yesterday. I don't know. It hit a bottom on a fucking Thursday. We got like 1 minute left. Essentially, we'll have like what we saw yesterday. The S&P hasn't corrected just fucking yet, though. Word, he said. What's up, Wan Moon? Bro, good morning, man. Good morning, bro. 1 minute, less than a minute. Less than a minute, bro. Less than a minute. We got 30 seconds. Let's get ready to fucking get this shit show off on the road again. Oh, bro. I got so many contracts expiring this morning, bro. Oh, my God. I got fucking AT&T. I got DWAC. I got Ford. I got like fucking 10 different contracts expiring today, bro. All my shit got fucking notified this morning, from fucking Robinhood to E-Trade. Dude, I was like, you got all kinds of expired shit today, buddy. Oh, shit, we're running off that shit. Oh, yeah, I thought I would rock it. You bought calls, huh? Let me put you down. He said, let me put you down. I got calls on Altria, baby. Let's go to the moon. Let's go to the moon. Oh, shit, AA Alcoa got clipped. You know, the only thing doing good, what the fuck, bro? Like, pay out, we need them funds. Yo, man, yeah, I haven't got a Robinhood notification. I don't know how long, Waldo, boo. I woke up and Robinhood just blasted me. They're like, bro, you got like fucking like 6 contracts expiring on this portfolio. You got 6 more over here. And they're all worthless, mind you. Huh? I got the UMC calls. Those are worthless. Fuel Cell had a new 52-week low at $398. Little scammer. What's going on, Waldo? How you doing, man? Good morning, bro. That Bitcoin got clipped, bro. Hard. That was crazy, man. That was good, though. Oh, there we go. Ford's getting a little bump right there. I think TLT should go up. Yeah, they are expecting TLT to go up today. SunPower's at a new 52-week low at 1810. Okay, so I got Altria. Altria is holding up well. Oh, them cigarettes, bro. I'm telling you, Waldo and Wan Moon, motherfuckers are buying cigarettes like crazy. They're stressed out. They're stressed. Donkey Kong reached the 52-week low at 2026. Apple's up a little bit. Where's DWAC? DWAC is holding up. Ford's got a lot of room to go. I think I got 4 contracts expiring today, too. Yeah, I do. I need to get rid of those. Insingo reached the 52-week low at 459. Damn. Insingo, really? I used to like that company right there. INSG. I forgot all about INSG. Yo, bro, damn, that's another 52-week low. QuantumScape reached another 52-week low at $16.99. Bro, my shit is just getting fucking called off left and right. You sure did, Waldo, bro. You sure did, you little bastard. I'm like, you little bastard. That was good, bro. 37,724. This is almost like yesterday, just a little bit not as fierce. Fucking PayPal just hit a 52-week low at 170.81. Yeah, I just got notified on PayPal. Actually, it was lower than that, motherfuckers. Yeah, PayPal hit 170 fucking 67. Oh, yeah, good morning, man. Good morning, Wham Moon, bro. Just glad you're here, bro. Glad you're hanging in there. Man, what a wild day, bro. Like, what happened? I mean, I know what happened. There's two different things people are fighting over right now. Not only do you have the SPY under the 100-day moving average, or the 200-day moving average, because look where we're at. We're right here at the fucking 200-day moving average. The SPY still has a little bit more room to go, though. Friday close, good setup for next week. Reversal, yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. A good reversal into next week, and with Fed Pal speaking on Wednesday, fuck, we'll see what's gonna happen next week. Ford's trying to get up there. DWAC is or not DWAC, PayPal is trying to come back up. I think we're a 50-50 split right now. Healthcares are leading. XLV's up 0.5%. Damn. Oh, look at how many names we got down. We got 52. Is that right? That is right, huh? We got a lot of names down still. It's continuing it. It's Friday, though. What do you expect on a Friday? I got even more people selling. Speak of the devil. What's going on, Acid? Good morning, baby. Good morning, man. You out there ruining people's lives? Spreading the sunshine in the morning? Spreading the sunshine, huh? Everybody's all uptight right now. They're all worried. SPY is about to go green for a quick hot second, and the Dow is positive. Yeah, I ain't buying it, though. I kind of figured we would have got more of a sell-off with Netflix kind of fucking dropping the ball as bad as they did yesterday, but it's not that bad, actually. But Disney is outpacing fucking Netflix, though. Shake your 8-ball when you calling for the day. What you calling for the day, baby? What are you calling, huh? There's my butt acid. Ruining people's lives, laughing out loud in real life, you know what I mean? It's gonna get bloody, Waldo. Hey, man, it sure is, bro. It ain't over yet. It's not over yet. We'll see what happens next week, though. Next week's gonna be pretty fucking promising, though. PayPal's getting clapped right now. I don't know why Webull is exercising my fucking calls, but they're selling some shit. Yeah, Webull just sold fucking 2 of my contracts. Why the fuck would they sell it for? It's not even at the end of it's not even 12 o'clock yet, and they fucking exercise. They liquidated 2 of my positions that expire at the end of the day. You fucks. That's crazy. I don't even have do not fucking exercise until expiration too. Oh well. Yes, it's gonna get bloody, baby. It's gonna get bloody, man. Yesterday was wild, man. That Peloton shit was fucking crazy. Yeah, everything's kind of getting smacked right now. Netflix is coming back down, and you still got GameStop holding up above $100, huh? Out of all that bullshit, GameStop, or didn't it hit below 100? I think it did hit below 100 in pre-market. Yeah, it hit. Where'd it go? I think it hit 99. Yeah, it hit 99 after hours. Yeah, we ain't done yet, though. We ain't done yet. Where's the NASDAQ? I think the NASDAQ, I was watching the 1400 on the NASDAQ. See, look, they just did something else again. I heard it. They just exercised my Twitter fucking calls from yesterday. Damn, 14,037. That might have been almost the bottom there for the NASDAQ. That's what a lot of people were talking about. A year ago, if GME was down in red, I would be sad. Now that we're all at the finish line, I am thankful for Kenny to drop us like a rock. You know what I mean? The longer you hold, the less riskier they are. I still got a long way to go for fucking AMC to, you know, for me to even be worried about my position. Like, we need to drop another fucking $14, maybe $15 for me to be worried on AMC. And I'm not even gonna worry. I'll be like, all right, cool, time to buy some more. Yeah, AMC needs to drop fucking $14 in order for it to get back to where I originally bought. It's already coming up on a year. Altria still hanging in there. We got all them motherfucking smokers now. Come on, Altria, let's go, baby. Who else did I buy yesterday? Fuck, I forgot. Oh, I bought Altria and fucking... oil. I bought more oil contracts. I went for the $6 and the $4 contracts expiring fucking July 15th. Art of War mastered by a bunch of retards. You know? Right? You just gotta fucking horn. That shit was funny. Fucking looking acid, man. I'm on, Altria. Get your ass up there. I need you at $51. Oh shit. Fuck, Ford selling off, Tesla selling off, everything's starting to sell off again. PayPal just got clapped hard. Fucking everything's coming down again, bro. Fucking dropping your coins everywhere. And I'm looking forward to another red day. You know what I mean? We ain't done yet, man. I'm thinking the NASDAQ's going to crack through that 1,400, and it's going to go down to probably 13.9, 13.8. This is going to... like I said yesterday, I think the market's doing Fed Pal's job for him in a weird way. I think the market's like, you know what? Don't trip, pal. I got you, bro. Have a Coke and a smile. The SPY is back at open. We're literally back at the first 10 minutes of the move of the day. I think we're gonna start the downtrend right now, bro. I think we're gonna start the downtrend. Apple starting to go down. Altria is ripping. So I mean, that's my defensive play. So we'll see if some of these value names can hold up. Fuck. Yo, what's Europe? Wow, bro. I know I shouldn't laugh, but damn. I know I shouldn't laugh about it, but fuck. Everybody's red. We need another one of that thank you music for the market vibes. That Undertaker music, you know? Yeah, bro. We need some of that. I need to put some of those ones on there. I need to get some more soundtracks for shit like this. We need to put like fucking, I don't know, fucking Titanic music on. I want some Titanic music on. That's just sad. Hell, we've been saying it though, man. We've been saying the market has been overstretched and she's tired, man. And Singer got clipped hard, bro. Let me see. Let's see. What do you guys want? Some Undertaker music? Let me see what I can find over here. She's singing, baby. Throw out whatever you guys want to listen. Just go ahead and give me a fucking title and I'll put it on. Raining blood. All right. I think Coinbase will do good in this, though, in a weird fucking way. Like, because with all the volatility out there, in some weird way, I think Coinbase should actually benefit from this shit. Right? Where's Baba at? Is Baba still up? Fucking Walmart's still falling, dude. What? The SPY is down. There it goes, bro. Yeah, I kind of think Coinbase is going to be a winner in this. Like, the volatility is going to... Oh, goddamn, bro. Coinbase just hit $200. Whoa. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Yeah. Fucking Altria is still holding up. Yeah. Fuck, I think I need to smoke another cigarette. This is the fifth cigarette out of this pack I bought about 3 weeks ago. No, I'm not even stressed. Damn, bro, that is coming down hard. Whoops, what happened? And that's what a crash looks like, baby. Let's fucking go. You know what I mean? That's what we got right here. Everybody was all crying and complaining about these little small percent drops we see. Look at, bro, this is the 63rd, 64th day in a row the NASDAQ has been getting clapped. Straight clapped. Like, I mean, there's a few fucking safe havens, but not very many. I mean, Altria is a small safe haven, but I'm not even that safe over there right now. I'm not that safe over there at all. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, bro. Crypto's probably fell another fucking... Oh, actually, crypto came back up. We're back at 1.81 trillion. Yep. That's what a crash looks like. You know what I mean? Hell. Now we can call it a crash. Now we can call it a crash. You know what I mean? This isn't a correction. This is definitely crash territory. Looks like we kind of got a little bit of a bottom over here. Yeah. SPY's coming back up. All right, so we got... It's only been 15 minutes. Dude, that's right, man. Every half hour or hour it is, there's going to be a big fluctuation in price because of all the options that are expiring today. I completely forgot about that. It is a trip witch. So in the next half hour, we'll probably see another spike or an hour, and then it'll probably continue this fucking downward trend here. I forgot about that. Every 30 minutes to an hour, I want to say. So as, like, contracts are going to get clapped, bro. My contracts are going to get clapped. Yo. There's a lot of shit expiring today. Like I was just telling fucking Waldo, bro, I got like fucking 10 things expiring on fucking Robinhood. Robinhood hasn't notified me in a long time. They blew me up this morning. They were like, yo, bro, all your shit's worthless. Do you remember that Brad Pitt quote in The Big Short was like, for every 1%, 10,000 people lose their jobs or something? Yeah. Yes, I remember some shit like that. Uh-huh. That shit fucking came down pretty quick right there. I want to say it was the Big Short. Yeah, you got a lot of motherfuckers losing their job right. Hey, you got a lot of motherfuckers losing their job right now. But yeah, it definitely bounced right there. So like, we'll wait for another half hour. Within the next hour, we'll probably get another leg down. I mean, shit, all you gotta do is just look at the bonds. I don't got... Like, the likelihood of Powell pivoting, like, nobody knows, but I don't see him pivoting just right now with the way the market's going. I mean, look at where TLT is. It hit 143.56. Like, in a weird way, I think Powell can come out and save the market. Let the inflation run a little longer. Or do you stop inflation running and crash the market? Like, you see that's what Powell has on his plate right now. There's no other way of putting it. It's either let inflation keep running for a little bit longer or crash the market. I mean, because we're all at technicals right now. We're at ranges. We're like, everything's there. I mean, the SPY being at the 200-day moving average is fucking wild. Like, we haven't seen the 200-day moving average. We didn't even see the 200-day moving average back over here in fucking September. We came close to that shit. The last time we came close to this shit was back over here. Yeah, we're basically at the 200-day. Like, look, we kissed the 200-day moving average yesterday. The market was like, yeah, watch this. Like, if they were to crash the market, that's how they would deflate everything. The rates are higher. They stop the borrowing and everything. Damn, this is rough. It's good, though. It's good, though, man. I love it. I love it. I'm glad I didn't go fucking full ape shit, you know, last year. I was like, I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm like, I'm not buying none of this shit right now. I'm like, I need to wait. I just dabbled my feet in a little bit. I mean, I still have a majority of my available cash there. This shit sucks for a lot of people. Who would Jay Pell be helping? Who's the intended audience for any of his stunts? You already know the answer to that one, Acid. Huh? Hey, it just puts Powell in a very it's a unique situation the guy has on his hands right now. Very unique situation. I'm pretty curious to see how he's gonna handle it coming on fucking Wednesday. Wednesday's gonna be pretty wild. In Flames, cloud connected. In Flames, I got you. Couple gaps could be popping around in here. And there you go, right there. Yeah, we ain't done yet, though. We ain't done yet, because look, at the market's coming right back down again. Expect the SPY to come bust through this 443, 46 area. Yeah, it's going to be every half hour out on the hour. You're going to be seeing the market just doing these crazy-ass swings just because there's so many fucking options expiring today. Oh, whatever you guys want, Acid. You know, shit, I got the earphones on. I'm listening. I got news playing in the background on my earphones, so I don't really even hear the music. Whatever you guys want playing next, go ahead and just shoot it out there, bro. Yeah, the SPY's coming right back down again. That's fucking every half hour. It's going to be just nasty today, dude. We're going to see these fluctuations, and it's going to get even worse when Euro closes. I kind of anticipate us to have a fucking crazy amount of selling off towards Euro when Euro closes. Panic is gonna be just fucking setting in like crazy right now. Ford, dude, $21 on Ford. I don't even want to look at Roblo right now. Look at Roblo is just down in the gutter, huh? Roblox down to 72. Fucking, how about a firm? I just started adding to a firm yesterday. Hey, oh shit, I'm still up on the firm though. I got a firm at 60.27 yesterday. The good thing is, if we get some crazy bounce coming into coming into Powell or even after Powell for February, the contracts I have for February and March and April, those things are gonna fucking pay. Unless if Powell does what I kind of think he will, which I think he's going to let inflation run a little bit more rampant. Matter of fact, where's the futures at? Actually, it came down. We were just at 6% the other day. Yeah, they brought it down a lot. Probability of him raising rates is slowing down a little bit more. Last hour of the day is going to be glorious. Wonder if any of the big institutions want to roll the dice for Monday. You know, that's why I'm like, hey, I've kind of played a couple ideas. I kind of want to play TLT. Damn, bro, those AA calls. Did I sell out of AA yesterday, or am I still holding on to fucking... No, I'm still holding on to AA. They're worth $8 now. I should have sold them yesterday. They were worth 50. I thought I got rid of them. Yeah, the last hour of the day is going to be fucking just crazy today. The account was up, and it just got clapped hard, bro. We just went from fucking 2% down to 7% immediately. Immediately. Wait a minute. Where's TLT at back in 2018? Yo. Bro, whoa. We're literally back where we were at 2019 at the high of 2016 for TLT. Oh, whoa, STL. Spot just got clapped hard. What else you want, Acid? That fake out yesterday was the funniest bear trap ever, bro. Sure the fuck way, man. I think a lot of people got caught up in that bear trap, bro. I don't know if it was a bear trap, but I think it was an everything trap. Shit. That trap didn't discriminate. It was like, we don't care. We're grabbing everybody. Yeah, Waldo, you got a song out there you want to listen to? It's already going to be 7 here. Damn, bro, we're still fucking plummeting, dude. We're not even falling. We're just straight plummeting down. X is down. Besides his trade during power hour, had me cracking up. That shit was fucking funny, huh, bro? Man, I not believe that shit, bro. That shit was too much, man. The greatest form of control is when the fucking Piton clapped the market, bro. That was one for the books, bro. One form of dictatorship is being in a prison cell. My new slow close traps don't discriminate. The other one is sitting in a prison cell, but you can't see the button. You think you're free. Yo, man, I couldn't believe it, bro. Like, everybody was asking what clapped the market yesterday. Literally, Peloton clapped the market. Like, they couldn't believe it. I was like, yeah, Peloton, bro. You can see it. Peloton sold off. Shit was bullshit on Peloton. Like, nobody's working out again.
We are in a country and in a world that is being run by unbelievably sick people. The chasm between what we're told is going on and what is really going on.
Yeah, where is Peloton at, bro? Like, Peloton is, I mean, damn, they got fucked up, bro. I got a job and I watch y'all when I get time. Yeah, I know, man. Dude, I still got this fucking pressure in my right ear. It's been just fucking me up. It's starting to get better, though. I'm ready to go back to work, though. I'm fucking tired of staying home. He said, I got a jobby job. That sucks. That sucks, Acid, man. Yeah, that shit was good, though, man. That shit was good. Could have made a lot of money playing that fucking Piton to the downside, but fucking, I was just like, that shit was wild how it happened. You don't want me requesting anything. You don't want likes listening to the Latin Cuban or podcast. KC Kingstone Cloud reached the all-time low at 1125. Everything keeps hitting all-time lows, bro. Everything. Everybody's getting fucking clapped. Except for Tesla. Look at this shit. Tesla over here is holding up. And Ultra, baby. Keep going, Ultra. We need more smokers in this world. We need more smokers in this world. Damn, it's a good thing I didn't go for any fucking Tesla calls or spy calls when I was talking about it about a month ago, because I would have got clapped. Yeah, all in all, I want to say this is just a continuation from yesterday. I mean, hell, you could blame Netflix, you could blame Piton, you could blame fucking Ukraine. Fuck. At the end of the day, I think it's just the market taking care of it for Powell. In a weird way, I think the market's fucking taking care of this shit. For some reason, I thought of Colombian chicks with fat asses. Guess I am going to Colombia now. Fucking Acid, man. Hey, they do got some fat asses down there. I'm telling you, bro, I think we need to put some Titanic music on. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. Titanic music. It's heartbreaking, bro. It's heartbreaking. I'm gonna put some Titanic music on. It's sad. It's not that sad though, because we've been talking about this for quite a while. We've been, you know, I knew it was there. I knew it was coming.
There is to see. Because they'll laugh in the face of an explanation that portrays the big.
Oh shit! Wait a minute. We got Yellen and Biden speaking today. I don't know if you want to listen to either one of them. I don't know, Biden kind of... Did you hear that fool yesterday? Oh, man, they were not happy with his speech yesterday. He called somebody an idiot or some shit. He called somebody an idiot. I thought the market was going to chill out today, but I was wrong. There's some Titanic music on, bro. Titanic music. Some Titanic music. Damn, bro. TLT's taking off again, dude. You little scammer. Where'd it go? I don't have TLT up no more. It's sad for the people that have 401ks and that have been long on blue chip stocks and they have not been paying attention to the double-edged sword. Man, I'm telling you. Correct picture to have in your mind. One of the favorite success fantasies that be personality well, so great natured and positive. Yeah, they really are. Costco's still green. Dude, damn. Look at that. They got caught right there. Whoever the fuck bought in right here, they got clapped. That was not cool, bro. Healthcare starting to give everything up right now. Son of a bitch. Consumer staples, Walmart's, that shit, they're getting clapped. Or they should be up, but they're not. Well, I mean, they're up a little bit. Fuck, some people are buying a little bit of defensive plays, though, like Ultra. Pop Squash will be happy. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Hopefully, man. Damn, I should have just went all in on a firm. Like, it's big, though, today, of how big the option expiration is today. Like, Every 30 minutes, every hour, it's gonna change. Like, what? Just fuck. Like, the nominal value, the underlying value, it's gonna be changing a lot fast with this expiration coming up. I don't even like to where Altria is right now. Altria just hit this top and just chilled out. A fucking top, man. The TL, I cannot believe the TLT is back up 143.81, dude. TLT gassed it. I should have went for TLT instead of fucking TBT. Where's TBT at? TBT's back down at 1783. Today would have been the day where I had the TBT calls. I can't take it every 30 minutes. I can't get more. Jack, my nipples hurt. I can't get more. Jack, my nipples hurt. Right? Jack to the tits. That shit makes me laugh, that fucking part. Dude, he made a lot. Those motherfuckers made a lot of money when that shit happened, though. And it was only like a small amount of people that killed it during that fucking crash, though. It's fucked up to think of how many people actually call it a crash and how many people are like, nah, it's good, bro. It's going to keep going to the moon. I know we're at fucking all-time highs, but it's going to continue to go. It's going to continue to go. Biggest payout was like 30 million, bro. It was some stupid ass payout, and he was like, oh fuck, he killed it, dude. He killed it. Dude, we're like literally, I mean, look at where we're at. Look at where we're at. And then you see how everything's changing trajectory. We got the 50-day moving average. We got the 200-day moving average. They're kind of changing trajectory here. It's starting to give up. And you know what hedge funds are waiting for right now? They're not buying this shit right now. No. They're waiting for a fucking 10% move before the hedge funds start jumping in. They aren't buying it just yet. Hedge funds are waiting. Hedge funds are waiting. They want to see a 10% drop. And not over a course of a couple days. They want to see it immediately before hedge funds starting to want to buy in. I mean, I've been reading a couple of the hedge funds documents and shit. On the Bloomberg shit. My buddy has access to the Bloomberg. He sends me a couple things here and there. But that's what they're waiting for. We shall see, though, bro. We shall see. I don't think it's over yet. They like volatility as much as we do. Hey, that's where the money is, especially because, you know, most of them, they play contracts. That's usually where they're at. You need volatility to make money on contracts. You need a fucking huge fluctuation in price in order to make money. If you get in a company that barely moves, your time decay, and you're gonna lose your premium real fast on it. That's where you get paid on premium, when you have these huge fluctuations in price. That's where premium goes through the roof. So I'm still waiting right now, though. I'm still waiting. That's why I've been buying these calls that are expiring in April, like towards the end of the year, because, I mean, I'm playing for the volatility to blow up and for these things just to run up. But, you know, it still has more room to come down. The SPY's gonna come. This is another little pop. We had more fucking options that just got probably exercised right now. And the SPY's gonna get a little pop, and it'll probably give it up again. Yeah, because there's this shitload of contracts expiring today. Half of, not even, fuck half, 92% of my contracts are fucking worthless right now. Altria just slipped, came right back down to the 50-day moving average. Yeah, I got a little over 90% of all my contracts are all worthless right now. That's fucked. GME sub 100, creating a wave. $94.04. Yeah, that was actually pretty sudden right there, huh? Fuck, it broke through the 100. I mean, damn. I think Powell should save the market though. I don't think Powell's gonna allow the market to crash. I think he's gonna come in, step in, and he's gonna fucking save the day. I don't think Powell wants to be, what's that dude's name? Fucking Fed. Fuck, what was his name? The guy that crashed the market last time. Fed fucking with a V. Volcker. Fed Volcker. I don't think Powell wants to be Fed Volcker. I mean, do you want Powell to crash the market or you want Powell to save the market? I mean, I kind of want him to save the market, you know? As much as I would like to see the market come down, I mean, I don't want the market to crash. That's just fucking heartbreaking. That's just heartbreaking. Yeah, that was Volcker. He was in there in the 70s or some shit when he introduced the 20% rates. That's when the market got clapped. But then again, the 70s, they ran their inflation up for like what, 5 years, 5-6 years, and we're nowhere near there just yet. So I think Powell still has a little more wiggle room. There it is. See, look at every 30 minutes, somebody's getting clapped. This is gonna be every 30-minute little ball right here where someone's getting just mollywopped. Altria is popping back up into that little range. GME sub 100, creating waves, bro. Altria is getting a nice little pop over there. You know what? I might just go to work today. Yeah, I might. My wife hates the fact that I work for family because she's like, you don't even got a fucking set schedule. You going to work when you want to go to work. You take your lunch when you want to. I'm like, hey, don't get mad at me. Yes, crash it. Even if you and I disagree on the moral part of it, our country was bought and paid for years ago. Choice decisions is an illusion for the fuckers. Yeah. Fucking acid. I don't think, like, we're right there at the 200-day average. I don't think we're going to actually see that battle today, though. I think we'll be, like, right there. I think that's going to come next week, the battle for the 200-day moving average. There goes Netflix. It's coming down, making another low. Man. There goes a firm. A firm just busted through where I just bought in at. I needed to come down a little bit more. I don't mean to sound critical, but it just lowers my expectation. That cool, you work with family. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's pretty cool working over there with him. It's not too bad. It's down the street, too. He knows I still ain't feeling too well. But yeah, she hates the fact. She's like, you can go in and work whenever you want. Like, literally, I can go to work and I can work 12, 15, 14 hours a day. And I can, do, like, 80 hours in a week. And he'll pay me as long as I'm, putting the work out. Or I can go in and do no hours a week. And it's cool. I'm always cool. I can take a 2-hour lunch. I can go into work right now if I want, and we're open, or I can sit here and bullshit around until about European close, and then maybe stay home or decide to go to work. But we've been talking though, me and the wife and the kids, like, I want more. I want more. Sometimes that's a little dangerous though, wanting more. Especially where we're at right now, it's very gotta be very careful on the next steps I make. If you get in a fist fight with family and curse at one another, nobody will get fired. Hell yeah. And that's the good thing with my cousin. Like, I've never had an argument with my cousin, who's my boss. Never had where we don't see eye to eye. he's just pretty chill at the job, at the shop. I mean, we can smoke when we want, as long as we can't drink in the job. But like, we usually go to the back and get high when we want. It's just as long as we do our job, we don't give a fuck. But yeah, I need to start trimming back on that work and work on something else. Yesterday, after I shut the stream down, I went in the house and I fucking cleaned the whole living room. I put away all Christmas tree. I cleaned the whole kitchen. I cleaned everything in there. And now I think today I'll probably finish cleaning the rest of the house. The house has been a mess, man. It doesn't help that I'm out here in the office all the time, though. So it's like, fuck, I gotta get in there and make sure everybody's doing what they need to do inside. It's cool having the office so far away from the house, but then at the same time, it's like, it's kind of like, fuck, I'm all the way out here in my own little world, though. Altria's right there bouncing around at the 50-day. How wild it'd be if bit went to 27,770. That would be crazy, dude. But the possibility is fucking there, Waldo. The possibility is fucking there, man. Especially right now with everything that's going on. You just, like, the reason why Bitcoin and everything ran up is because we had all this fiscal stimulus at the end of the day. I mean, that's what it was. There was, motherfuckers were getting paid to stay at home. And what were they doing? They weren't paying their rent. They were fucking putting that shit in the market. Yeah, I mean, but fucking EDD was paying out billions. Billions, I'm telling you, on EDD. 90-something billion, I think it was. You mean to tell me not at least about half of that didn't make it into the market? Or into Bitcoin? Pretty sure it did. Well, all the lost speculation, that bit would drop all the way to 3 to 7K as part of the crash. The possibilities, I mean, it can come down more because last time when Bitcoin came down so hard, the SPY didn't come down as the regular market didn't come down that fast. It didn't come down as sudden and abrupt as it is right now. Like, this is a whole lot more than what we saw last time. He said, nah, not that low. Yeah, 3 to 7K, I mean, that's way the fuck down there. Maybe 10. Using gold like that, are they? Actually, speaking of gold, where's gold at right now? Is gold up or is it down? Because it was slapping yesterday. Damn. Yeah, it looks like gold's about to slip. Silver's still holding up, though. I mean, hell. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed with silver where it's stayed up here for the past couple days. Almost to $23. Let's go, silver. I started buying silver when it was at like $9. $9 an ounce. Yeah, I got quite a bit of silver right there. I don't know. I think it's like 400 ounces or some shit like that. But yeah, I got a lot of silver. Most I've held has been about 20% of the bit. Yeah, we're like at half. We had more, but then we sold it. Back when it was at like 3,000 or 4,000, I think we had like 2 coins, and then we sold them when it went up to 52,000 or 53,000. We didn't hit the top. We were like, oh shit, sell now. I would be careful, y'all. Ken is entering the blockchain real with his back spinner and with this fucking sketchy illegal shit. Blockchain realm with his backers. That's cool. No, not Ethereum Classic, Ethereum. Well, wait, what's today? Friday? Shit, tomorrow Saturday. I might even just go into work on a Saturday. I might even just go in on a Saturday. Sketching and illegal conduct with coins. No, never seen it done. Damn, bro. You know what? I was just thinking of right now. I hope the newer generation of investors, this shit doesn't discourage them. Because there have been a lot of people talking about out there where they say they don't even want to play this game no more. They're like, we don't even want to play no more. They're like, I'm tired of investing this shit. Because a lot of these new investors, they just started investing in 2021. A lot of them are getting burned out because it's just been a downward trend. But this is all part of the fucking game right here. Going up against the sickness in the mind. Like they cannot just stop fucking into the... right? You know, all those fucking guys. He's like, no. That's crazy. I'm waiting for looking for the next bottom day because I want to see how fucking aggressive it is off the bottom. You know what I mean? Like, if we get aggressive bump off the bottom, then they'll kind of give me a little bit more hope. Ah, fuck, never mind. There goes the SPY. SPY slipping again. 441, 43. You fucking scammer. It's going to hit the 200-day moving average today. Look, it's at the 200. It's below it. It just cracked through the 200-day. Like, we are on it. Look at, the battle's going to start today, baby. The battle is going to start today. I was wrong. I thought we were going to have a little bit of time before the battle started for the 200-day moving average, but, fuck. Be right back. Smoke break. Hey, you know what? I said, you got a good idea, boy. Brother, I'm going to fucking pack me a bowl right now, too. Shit. We're starting to come down right now, though. But yeah, the market's going to get clapped right now. Unfortunately, I thought we were not going to see the 200-day moving average battle today. But this is going to fucking suck for next week. I thought we had a little bit of more time. We're at the 2. We're going to bust through it. Look at that. 440.90. Oh, shit. That's butter. Dude. The option expiration, the volume is huge, dude. It's huge. Like, this is big right now. The volume coming in is just, it's a lot. Apple just hit a new low. Facebook starting to give it up. Fuck it. All the tech's slipping right now. Everything's going down. Everything's going down now. Yeah, everything's coming down. Come on, everything's coming down. Ultra still holding up. Fucking defensive play. Dude, my long term's only up 4% now. Yeah, you're correct. The long term is only up 4%. The YouTube account is fucking down a lot. I think he gave up 1,000 already. Wow, never mind. The long term or the YouTube account's down 10.44%. Damn, it's down 32% for the year. Yo, for the year. It was just up like 280% fucking last year. Netflix, bro. Netflix. That's what did it. Netflix and Peloton. Peloton, Netflix, and PAL. Like, the risk of PAL's policy shift was probably the biggest thing. On top of everything else, where you had Netflix fucking just cratered on earnings, and then you got Peloton, and then you got Russia bullshit, you got supply chain issues. I mean, it all comes back to fucking PAL. Gotta say, Aston and I both called for a continuation in red. Broken clocks are right twice in 2 days, baby. So broken, you know, hey, even a fucking broken clock is right twice a day. You guys got it, bro. You guys called it. I think this is just a delay tantrum from the Fed. Like, because remember, a lot of people weren't really at the market. And then you got Powell backing up his plans. Like, let me see. Let me see. Where's the 2018 chart? Let me see if I can pop this bullshit up. Let me see. Let's go look at the SPY. Let's go look at 2018 over here. Watch. Right here. You remember this? I don't know if anybody was investing in 2018, but right here. This is the shit show we're talking about. This is kind of where we're at right now. And then right here, everybody was said buy the dip. They bought the dip and we ran it up. So we'll see. Yeah, right here. Everybody said you didn't buy the dip, stupid. And then, oh, it dipped more. And then they, oh, fuck, buy the dip. It was good. And then, oh, it dipped more. Where's the 200-day moving average at? Right there. That's where we're at. Market's still gonna come down there. That's the every little 30-minute fucking bond, or not bond, but options expiring. We're either worthless or in the money. I think a lot of them are worthless though. It's a lot of calls out there. A lot of calls. Like even fuck, all I have is calls in my fucking portfolio. I don't have not one put. Should have got a fucking a hedge put. Should have got a hedge put. Oh shit, I almost dropped my bong, bro. Woo! Travel the world. Let's see. That's rough. SPY's coming back up though. It's trying to get back up. It's from 442.93. Worst Christmas trading holiday was right here. Right here. This is when Mnuchin and Powell kind of came in and they saved the market. Which I kind of think we're at the same spot. It's just a lot sudden. It's a lot faster. The velocity is just through the roof. Because this is where Fed Powell pivoted and said, you know what, we're not going to do that no more. We're not going to cut rates. And then it just kind of, you know, rebounded. That was the Powell pivot. And then this was coronavirus, you know. And then they said run it again, 0% interest and shit like that, to the moon. But that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like we were just right here at that same bounce around, and we're at that spot about 3-4 years ago where the fucking SPY just crashed through it. So, I mean, I'm thinking Fed Powell's getting put in the same situation he saw back in 2018. And I would actually bet against him that time. I thought he was actually going to continue to do it. And that's when I got clapped. Because he backed out of tapering, and everybody was for sure he was not gonna back out of it. But then he did, and then we were good, and then we got clipped, because I was like, he's gonna do it. This time I don't think he's gonna do it. Shit, and then watch him fucking do it. Oh man, I would be pissed. Nah, honestly, I don't think he's gonna do it. Yeah, because December 15th right here was when he had like some kind of fucking where the fuck is it at again? I remember it. I remember that day, dude. It was December 15th, I want to say. 12:15, right? Yeah, because he did conferences back to back then, and that's kind of when he decided he wasn't going to do it. Yeah, here it is right here, transcript. Oh, wait, no, it's CPI. Then we got CPI, which was a very hot reading. What was the CPI back then again? It was 5.7% back then, bro. We got 7%. Like, you see what I mean? Like, look at how high CPI back then was. It was at 5.7. We're real juiced up right now. I don't think he's going to do it, though. I think he's going to fucking pivot. He has to pivot, dude. I don't see, he's not going to be the next, he's not going to crash the market. That's what I thought he was going to do last time, but it's just, I don't think he's going to, there's no way in hell. I'm going to have to find that video when he was talking about it. Because he said something about like inflation wasn't a deal or some shit like that. I forgot exactly how he worded it, but then we were like, fuck it, run it to the moon. I had a bunch of fucking puts back then and I got clipped. That's why I'm scared of puts now. That's why I'm scared of puts, dude. I fucking very rarely play any puts, man. Yeah, market's fucking just chilled out. Market kind of chilled out, kind of got a little bit of bounce right there. We've only been open for an hour right now. And it has been a pretty eventful hour. give it another 30 minutes, and we'll see what happens on the next the big expiration that hits on these contracts that are about to hit. Because yeah, I'm gonna have to find that video on PAL so that way you guys can exactly listen to what he was talking and the tone he was using. It sounds exactly like the same tone we heard this last time. Like, almost word for word, dude. Like, it's very eerie the way he's talking. Yeah, they were expecting 2018 strong growth. Solana and Ethereum getting a little bit of a push right there. The SPY's coming with its. Look at the Solana and Ethereum and SPY, how they kind of just look pretty similar. Huh? Especially Solana. Solana and the SPY look pretty identical right there. Solana's moving right now, 120.30. The SPY's kind of coming up with the 2. The SPY's hitting 444.90. See the SPY, it's gonna come back down right there. He said, "Nah, bro. It was if it can get to 445, I mean, it's looking a little stronger. But we're basically back at open on the SPY again. It's playing the same fucking show it's been doing for the past couple weeks." Peloton's getting a little bit of a pop over there. Man, we were talking about playing Peloton yesterday. It would have been a little good recovery play from the bottom, but fuck that. Piton's starting to move. Where's small caps are starting to move right now. Where's the IMR at? IWR. Where's the IWR? Yeah, IWR starting to move. SPY's back at 445. Oh shit, the Dow Jones just is green now. Huh? What? The Dow Jones went green. That's wild, dude. This market is crazy. Fucking straight batshit crazy this market is. We got, 2,400 names up and 4,900 names down. Fucking Ballistic says, what do you think happens over there? I think we're going to come down a lot more, Ballistic. Poor guy. Come on, buddy. Sorry, buddy. I think we're going to come down a lot more. Up until Fed Powell, once he speaks, I'm pretty sure he's going to pivot again, and then that's when the market's going to rip. And then that's when it's going to be time to start selling some of this shit and start fucking waiting for the next shit show to come in. Feel the same. Wednesday's gonna be huge, bro. Back then. fucking mollywopped. Oh my god, fucking mollywop. What was the CPI back then? Yeah, November meeting, it was this very high 5.7. That's what it was in November back then. And then, yeah, they were fighting for 2% fucking inflation back then, right? Yeah, it was like 2% is what they were fighting to get, and they barely were able to get 2%. Where the fuck was it at again? I'm about to go through this shit again. Yeah, this is fucking... That's the 2011 one. I gotta find the 2018 one. Time is it? 7:38. Crazy, bro. Crazy, man. What a fucking year. Yeah, it feels just like 2018 again, man. It's crazy. I cannot fucking type shit in right now. Netflix is getting... Is Netflix still over there? Hang on. Fuck. The Spy's coming back down again. 444, 36. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of movement here. Fuck you. Go back. Where's the small WM? The Russell 2000's chilling right there. Fuck. Damn, I don't know, man. I think we're gonna see a lot of risk off on these fucking on these little ones. I'm kind of thinking about throwing out a put on the fucking IWM. I'm fucking thinking about it, bro. I mean, hell, to have some kind of protection out there. April? I think I'll probably go for April. These are fucking expensive, bro. Huh? These motherfuckers are wild over here. Nah. Let's see. Let's hit all of them right here. Let's see. Those are expensive. Nah, we ain't playing none of that shit. Damn, the Russell 2000 looks rough right now. I mean, the Spy looks rough right now, not the Russell. It looks beat up, dude. It looks beat up. Why does that keep messing up over there? Iconic stand-up comic and back. Oh, we got another. Somebody died. Somebody else died, bro. Somebody else died. Somebody died at 68. What's up with all these people dying at the young ages? Louis Anderson, iconic stand-up comic and a basket star, dies at 68. It's unfortunate. 68, dude. That's still hella young. First Bob Saget. I mean, first Betty White. I'm a first Betty White. Oh, wait. Where's WTI? USO, where's USO? USO is at 0.31. WTI is just fucking lagging behind it. Damn, this is gonna be a huge day today. There's so much volume in the day, in the first fucking hour and a half, or hour and 15 minutes. That has so much volume. That's crazy. This is gonna be a big day. It's gonna be fucking huge. Damn, and then they got fucking exercised my other contracts already. You little scammers. Dude, I even got notified by fucking Fidelity, bro. I haven't got notified by Fidelity in forever. Fuck, what is Fidelity talking about over here? Options worth 1.2 trillion are expiring today, dude. That's a lot of options. A lot of defensive shit's holding up today, though. Man, I could think I got rid of that AT&T calls when I did. Damn. Those would have went worthless real fast. TLT is coming back down. Actually, TLT is about to bounce off right there where it's at. Damn. D-Walk is down. That was down a lot. Firm is still chilling. I'm not too bad on a firm. I should just grab more firm. Fuck. The last hour is going to be very crucial. You know that, right? Like, the way the last hour played out yesterday, I mean, Waldo remembers, man. If we have that happen again, that's characteristics of very negative settlement. Investor settlement. At the last hour and a half, where motherfuckers just start selling everything, that's bad. And especially being a Friday, it's gonna say a lot right now, because like we'll see if people are able to with it. I mean, shit. I mean, usually they don't hold going through the Friday, so I don't know, bro. Ah, man, I think we're gonna see a repeat like yesterday. Should have got some hedge puts. Should have got some fucking hedge put, bro. Oh my God. Quest Therapeutic hit a 52-week low. $2.90, just in case anybody missed it. Just in case anybody missed it. They're really... I think a lot of investors are surprised because of the 2-year risk that they've seen. They're like, bro, I just started investing like a year or 2 years ago, and this shit is risky. Lose all your money in about 6 weeks. In about 6 weeks, in a span of a few days, all your profits will be fucking gone. Love it, though. What happened to the music? What happened to the music? Woo! I just got nauseous like a motherfucker for some reason. What? I'm just made me sick to my stomach out of no fucking reason right now. I felt like I wanted to throw up right now. What the fuck? What's going down? Ammo, what's going down? The Russell 2000's moving. Whew. Something just made my stomach just fucking flip right now, bro. That was weird. Apple's trying to come back up. All right, the market's hey, do I got 2 IWMs up? No, okay, never mind. I thought I had 2 IWMs. All right, there we go. Market's coming back up, bro. Let's put this one on. It's dead now. Investing is solid, said no one. Nah, bro, it's risky as fuck. Investing is a risky as fuck business. Unless you're buying property, bro. That's the risk. That's the risk free right there, almost in a sense, right? I was trying to get the wife to get her fucking. I was talking to her last night about getting her fucking retail license, a real estate license.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 C's. I deal with life different.
No? I don't know what that was over there. Where's Caterpillar at? Oh, Caterpillar. Dude, I cannot believe Caterpillar's still fucking ripping it the way it's still holding up pretty well. He said, she should cut me out now. She said no. She's like, I'm not a salesman. I was like, yeah, it's cool. I got a couple guys over there already. We need more fucking people with real estate license and shit out there, bro. Nah, you're going to be the one to close the first deal for us, Waldo, man. I got you, bro. I got you, man. The first property we get, I'm definitely going to have you close it out, my boy. He said, but your wife would breeze through that easy. She doesn't have, like, if someone tells her no, she's like, okay, cool, fuck it. So, like, she's not really a seller type of person. Like, even with Ethereum and all that, dude, she just bought it and held it and forgot about it, bro. Like, that's literally what happened. She bought Ethereum and forgot about it and left it alone. Half the, I think, 40 of the coins that she got was actually a gift from a friend. The SPY's about to go green, baby. What? Yeah, look at the SPY is green now. What the fuck, bro? Nah, but yeah, Waldo, I got you, man. The first house we get, we were talking about it. By the end of this year, before this year's over, we're gonna be closing out a deal. Just waiting right now. She's got about $26,000 worth of debt left to pay off on her credit, which we finally got our utilization down to fucking 15%, but we need to have it down to 0. We're trying to have all, like, the firm, we're about to pay the firm completely off. And it should be pretty easy too, since she's a vet. She's gonna use her VA loan for the first one. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll use that as the primary one, you know. Get all the deals out of the VA bullshit, and then the next one, you know, we'll figure out. We'll get it with just fucking with the assets we're holding. Going to 0 before June. That's what I mean. Damn, like, the best advice I can give anybody in here listening right now is zero out all your debt if you can. If you're able to, don't hold debt over. Like, that's what we're looking at on these companies. We want these companies that don't have any debt and are, you know, bringing something to the table. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. I mean, you gotta do the same thing. Cut back on all the debt, because shit's gonna get rough. Shit's gonna get rough right now. The driver at the seat is asleep. I'm on the driver at the wheel. He's sleeping right now. I'm trying to get my kids into it. You can get them motivated into doing some stuff. I got my daughter. She's gonna start some little slime little business, make her own little slime, and package it and shit. And then, hey, come to find out, Waldo, my son has this little fucking writer's. He's a really good writer, dude. He fucking did this little essay. That shit was badass. I thought he copied it. I had to ask him over and over. I'm like, did you copy this? And he's like, no, I didn't. I was like, are you sure? You can tell me. Talking about Apex, the game Apex, and some other stuff. My lender is the best on VA. Literally educates the real estate sector on VA loans. I'll get you his info just for you can look him up. Oh yeah, fucking shoot it to me on Discord, bro. But that shit was helped out so much. Her joining the military, and then plus she still gets her disability. She gets like 40-50%. She's doing well. She's been getting all kinds of job offers, but they're not offering her enough. Like, they've offered her like $1, maybe 50 cents more, but right now she works at home, so it's like, you're gonna pay her $1 more to leave the house? Like, you guys are crazy. I'm like, don't leave the house for any more than, you know, what you want. Like, at least $5-10 at least. $5 would be nice. Especially if she's leaving the house, because then she's got gas to worry about. Right now, she don't really got to worry about anything. Author in the making. Yeah, bro. Like, I read it. My wife, I'll email it to you later on. That shit was fucking good, dude. The story was actually pretty good. He fucking killed it. That's what he likes doing. He likes the game. He likes gaming. He's always on fucking what's he playing right now? Apex, a little bit of Call of Duty. Nah, he really don't like Call of Duty right now. He's still playing Roblox. But now he likes playing Apex. That's the main one he's on, is Apex and some of the zombie shit. But that's all he does all day long. He's in his room playing his little games. He takes care of his work when he needs to. But remember, we're coming up on the next half hour, 30 minutes right now. So it looks like there a lot of money's being removed from the market right now because the expiration of the contracts, they either expire worth something or they expire worthless. Right now, there's a lot of them expiring worthless, and I could look at my portfolio, and about 90% of the contracts are worthless. And those are calls I made last year. 2 years ago, actually. Fuck. But yeah, then my other daughter, she's been doing pretty good at her digital art, but I gotta get her to open up more and post it on Twitter and shit. That's why I kind of follow a lot of those NFT people over there and the artists, kind of for her. Try to get her, build her motivation up. Her artwork's fucking good too, but she just don't ever save it. I tried catching a picture of it and she fucking flipped out. She flipped out on me. So we'll see. Trying to get my son on, he's learning Fusion 360 right now. The program I use to do my 3D prints, the CAD programs, the CAD software. I can't really do it that much though, because I get arthritis in the fucking hand, on my right hand, really bad, and I can't. It just fucks me up. The SPY's kind of breaking out. I mean, take that with a big ass bag of salt, you know, shit. The Dow is way in the green. I mean, it's looking actually pretty, a lot of hopium, it looks like. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's, man, where's the market cap over here? $1.82. Coding engineer, he would be money if he capitalizes on that, right? Yeah, I gotta get him a good computer. The one he's using right now, he's expecting a lot out of it. The one I'm looking at him is that MSI fucking, it's like a $6,000 computer I was looking for him. The same gaming computer I wanted, but I don't got time for gaming. I don't got time for no games. Yeah, I forgot which one. Actually came down a lot. The one I was looking at, the GE66, I think it is, or the GE76, I think one of those ones. One of the 66s, 76, 86, I don't remember. Oh, that's why she was asking about coding, but she's trying to do coding too, but she gets distracted very easily. But I mean, she's trying. Especially because she's kind of wants to start some kind of like, what does she call it again? I forgot what she called the thing she wants to start. Let me see. Damn, my buddy Yogi, he's like, everything's dropping. Yeah, bro, everything's dropping. Everything's selling off, bro. There's no safe haven. Business analyst, which is basically they come in there and tell them where they can do better at their job and make more money, save money and shit like that. But she needs to know a little bit of coding. She's been working in the healthcare sector her whole life. She's thinking about jumping into tech now. I told her, I'm like, fuck it, go ahead and jump into it. Dude, she has a business degree, I think. Is it a business degree? So some shit like that. When she was in the military, for her to continue getting paid when she went to school, she used her GI Bill like that. Or was it the post 9/11 bill? One of those bills. And then she's supposed to go back and redo her disability thing because she should be higher on her disability. Hell, we almost lost her. When she gave birth to my last daughter on Fort Hood with all from the military doctors, she almost died on us. She almost died on us, dude. She lost like 1,300 milliliters of blood. It was bad. Poor thing. My daughter fucking ripped her apart when she came out of her. She was a big baby. Yeah, but ever since then, she's been all fucked up since the military, but she doesn't stay on top of it and complain about it. I told her, you need to stay on top of that shit. All that shit happened when you were in there. CDC just came out with a statement. What was the CDC talking about? Well, bro, we don't need no more CDC statements, bro. What's the CDC saying? What are they saying? Unless it's good news from the CDC, maybe. Fucking Peloton's up 7%. Damn, who was it? I think Ass is the one that sent me. I forgot to fucking take that website he was talking about for the coding. Wait for him to come back from smoking. I thought Ass worked at home too, though. Oh, yeah, that's right. 3 studies show boosters deficiency. CDC says in statement. 3 studies showed boosters. Oh, their benefits. They're beneficials. I don't know what I said. There we go. What were we talking about? What was that coding website? Whew. Yeah, I could have sworn it was Acid that was talking about coding. Website that he uses. Yeah, because the wife, she's asking about learning some coding. I forgot to write that shit down. I forgot which one you were talking about. Oh my God, Lululemon. Lululemon, you little scammer. It says it's called Bookmap. Set it up. You know what? I do got to set it up too. I got Bookmap on the other computer. He said it's called Bookmap. Yeah, I already got it on here. What did I need to do again? Oh yeah, I just need to get the fucking key. Your license key. What was the license key? Let me go find it real quick. Fucking well done. I was actually in the middle of doing that yesterday, and then I got distracted. My ears started fucking with me. For SQL and Python. Yeah. But you know what? I think all bets are off right now. Because we broke through all kinds of fucking levels, and you know what I mean? Distracted equals bowl of grass. Nah. A little bit. So SQL and Python. Yeah, it was SQL. I already got Python. Cool. Thanks, Acid. Yeah, the wife, she's trying to start her little business analyst thing, and that's one of the things that she needs to know a little bit. I tried explaining, helping her a little bit, but we learn different ways. She's got ADHD. That's what she blames it on. I'm gonna ask what Code Academy. There it is. Excuse me. I think that's the same one my buddy Dan was talking about that works for Activision. Go away. Thanks, Acid. Whew, I got choked up there for a quick minute. Damn, I got so many people that I've called on my phone for that. Damn. Yeah, cool, got it. Is the market still trying to come up? I mean, it tried for a quick hot minute. I mean, the Dow Jones is still up, so I mean, you can't really call it a crash if the Dow's up. But fuck, wait for the last hour of the day and see what the hell that does. Oh shit. Grandpa Biden's about to come on. What? Hang on, let me see if I can find Biden. He's supposed to speak here live here. I want to see if he says anything fucking of any use. Teaches information technology concept fundamentals. Fuck yeah. Shit, everybody needs, they should know a little bit, some kind of coding. Nowadays, you gotta have some kind of coding in you. Fuck. Even if it's not just the basics and the fundamentals. JP Morgan raises rates. Oh, that was that dude got paid more. Ford's got a lot of volume in it. Day code. What the hell? How the hell they up? Oh, Altria's getting a little bit of a pop over there. It needs a little bit more volume in it though. Just a little bit. I need to get out of that play already. I think that one expires next week. Oh, there we go. SPY's coming back up. Back in the green. NASDAQ looks like it wants it. The NASDAQ looks like it wants to get back in the green. Oh, yeah. And then Russia, what are they talking about? Banning more cryptocurrency? Forgot about that. Someone was texting me last night on that one. My buddy, fucking one of my little Dogecoin guys. He was like, "Oh, bro, it's the end of the world." He said, "It's the end of the world." Where's the Dogecoin's at 15? I need to get out my time better managed, bro. Gatorade and Mercury. Why the fuck is Gatorade and Mercury popping up on the news right now, huh? Fuck. Mercury sound off December. What? One point. Damn, bro. The whole market cap is down 11.13%. Crow's gonna come down a lot more. It ain't done yet. That one's not done yet. I think Crow's gonna hit 35. 35, 20, 20, 23? 35, 24. Where's Ethereum Classic? I need you down a little bit more, Ethereum Classic. Just a little bit more, bro. Let me move this little thing over. I need you right down here. Looks like I was off by a little bit. Let's go over there. SPY's only up 0.04, 03. I mean, it's getting it. It wants it. A lot of stuff got a nice little bounce back there, though. GameStop chilling at 102. Altria still needs to keep going up. Damn, I don't know, maybe Uber. Pfizer and Moderna booster shots were extremely effective in preventing fucking some bullshit. They said they were extremely effective. What have they added over here? CureVac. That was on the 21st. That was today. Oh, SR. Huh? Sorrento's on there. Omicron data. BF Securities downgraded. CureVac from $55 to $20. That's fucked up, bro. Damn, they cut that bitch in half. And then SRNE, Sorrento's. I remember Sorrento's. What did they do over there? Released new data regarding 19. Okay, let's see. Where's Sorrento's at? Moderna is a neutral. Underperform the neutral. I got a price target range from 135 to 180 on Moderna. Nice. Anything daily upgraded? No, I got. That was on the 20th. Nothing being added. Fucking too wild just yet. God damn, bro. Japan just got hit with the earthquake, bro. 6.4? Damn, that's pretty big, bro. Pretty big. Oh, is he live yet? Where the fuck is this old guy at? President Biden discusses plan to increase supply of semiconductors and rebuild supply chain. Where fucking, what the hell? I had it up. It didn't even load. Little scammers. Where'd it go? I got scammed, bro. I got scammed. Where's the link? Where's the link? Why is my link not working over there? It's bullshit. It's bullshit. Mercury is also in tuna fish. That's why you should not eat tuna more than 2 times a week. Oh, yeah. I don't even fuck with tuna no more. I knew it, bro. When the COVID phase passes, the scary thing is people that have recorded now are now carriers of COVID. There's always a chance if you give a loved one a hug, they can get it too. Playing the Omicron specific variant at Moderna. Where's Biden at? Why is he not live yet? Where is he? He was just up there. I had him, and then they cut him off. Oh, and then they cut him off. Just the flu, ass. Just the flu, bro. No, that's not him. What is this, number like 11 conference? The market is going down again. Oh man, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We'll see what happens when Fed Powell. We're all waiting on Fed Powell. Europe and Australia are starting to give up on their preventive measures. Oh yeah, they said fuck that shit, right? The Alex D, yeah, the market is we still got a little bit more, but it looks like it got a little stable. It kind of chilled out for a quick hot second there. You know, shit, the SPY was just positive, but the problem is today we got a lot of money being moved off of the markets because of contracts that are expiring today. There's a lot of contracts expiring worthless today. A lot of people are getting clapped. That's the main thing I think it is, though. And they're just waiting on Powell. Fuck. And Peloton didn't help. And Peloton didn't help. Believe it or not, Peloton. I still blame Peloton, and then Netflix too. The Netflix really didn't do too well. I mean, they did all right. You know, they did raise their fees on us. That was, you know, a good thing, I guess. But yeah, you know, we'll see. Waiting on Biden. He's supposed to speak here pretty soon, though. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now. There is a lot. Like, the market broke through some key levels of support. Like, we're basically at that 200-day moving average right now. Like, we came in. I still don't think today is going to be the battle of the 200-day moving average, though, for the SPY. I think that's going to be next week. That's going to be next week. And then after Powell speaks, he's going to say, you know, run it, and then we're going to be good. And then we're going to be good. Yeah, see where the SPY came down and touched the 200-day. But I don't think it's the battle of it just yet. Look at Peloton, bro. Peloton back at fucking, you little scammer. 1090. Crypto market is also looking sad. Yeah, crypto market is not looking very good at all. Damn, I thought I had Bitcoin up. Yeah, Bitcoin is way down in the gutter right now. It's at 38,790. But we did go all the way the fuck down to 37.7. And a little bit, 37,724 on Bitcoin. Crow Coin's holding up pretty well though. Right? Crow last time I looked was at like 40. I'm waiting to buy more of that. Yeah, it's still holding up. It's not too bad over there. Crow, it's got a lot more room to come down. I want it down here at 36. Can we swap PLTR in case today? Possible. PLTR was up yesterday, weren't they? They were, or no, never mind. They weren't up. They were up for a little bit, but then they got clapped by everybody else. They got clapped by the Piton News. Wait, they're still chilling at 14 bucks. Huh? We had 14.35 today. Ouch. But we'll see how next week's gonna hold up, Alex D. I mean, next week could be a very we could see a nice recovery next week. But the problem is the SPY hasn't seen a 10% correction just yet. A lot of hedge funds are waiting for a 10% correction to hit. I mean, like the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ, they've gotten beat up, but the SPY is actually kind of, you know, it's been holding up. Other, you know, granted, you know, when you zoom out, it does look pretty nasty. But we're basically at the same area we were at in 2018. Like, if you look back at 2018, before Fed Powell was getting ready to do the nasty, and what we worried about, well, you know, he had a bunch of conferences that came out around this time. And then this is when we had the Fed Powell pivot, which he said, you know what, we're not going to do the raise the rates or none of that shit. And we just gassed it all the way up. And then COVID hit. But I think this is kind of what's going to happen again. I'm not too convinced that Fed Powell's going to do exactly what everybody has been saying he's going to do. I think the market's kind of has already done it for him, and the market is basically put him in a very delicate situation, because where Fed Powell is right now, it's either going to be the man that's going to crash the market or he's going to save the market. That's basically it. That's the way I'm looking at it right now. And the fucked up part is, this 2018, that's when I first started trading, so it feels very, very similar. Can we swap 10% correction down? Yeah, there are a lot of hedge funds have been talking about, like, they're waiting to see a big 10% correction in a day for the SPY. Like, because the SPY hasn't really, you know, done that yet. Or haven't really seen a 10%. It's actually held up pretty well. So I don't think it's in a day, though. But, I mean, the SPY, because look at the SPY still running right now. The SPY's running, bro. Look at him go, you little fucker. Look at him go. Oh, wait, we got President Biden. Is he live? Oh, yeah, he's about to come on. He's about to come on. Keep it positive and respectful. Keep it positive and respectful. Here he comes. Shit. Let's put him up over here. No. Wait a minute.
Inviting me to join today, and thank you for convening us all today.
We don't need to see him.
Exciting day.
We don't need to see him.
And I want to begin by thanking Pat Gelsinger, the CEO of Intel, and Intel for making this massive, historic investment in American manufacturing right here in America.
Me a second over here.
Why? Recognized and been clear that if we want to compete globally, we have to invest domestically. And he's prioritized the revitalization of our manufacturing economy,
right there.
and given those of us on his team a crystal clear mission to get those jobs back from overseas to America. And thanks to the president's leadership, our economy added almost 6.5 million jobs last year, the most in any year in U.S. history, and our unemployment rate dropped nearly 70%. Make no mistake about it, by any measure, the United States driving a third of inflation. Why? Because we don't have enough chips. Last year, automakers made nearly 8 million fewer cars than they could have because of the semiconductor chip shortage. Electric vehicles, for which the president has set an ambitious goal, 50% of new car sales by the end of the decade, require 2,000 chips. Each EV requires 2,000
Ford? I'm not
chips,
Ford. Where's
more
Ford
than
at?
twice as
Keeping out
many
Ford,
as
okay.
a traditional vehicle.
McDonald's.
So that's why today's announcement from Intel
keep
is
it
so
out Ford.
exciting. Semiconductors produced right here in America will allow us to shore up our supply chains, bring down costs,
Tesla.
keep manufacturing facilities up and running, and create American jobs. But if we really want to end the chip shortage and ensure our global competitiveness, there's more to do. Today, our semiconductor supply chain is far too dependent on conditions in countries.
Yeah, but I think we're going to be good, though. I think Fed Powell's going to fucking, he's going to save the market. I don't see him being a fucking vulgar. Fed Volcker, the one that crashed the market back in the 70s, I don't see him being that guy. To build back, because it's better. Build it back.
Again.
The fuck happened
right
there?
Now,
Mike cut out.
Right now, there's a bill before Congress that would invest $52 billion in semiconductor production. Congress needs to pass that bill to revitalize America's domestic manufacturing. Passing that CHIPS funding is a win for workers, businesses, supply chains, and our economy. So again, Mr. President, thank you for your leadership, and thank you to Intel for choosing America. It's now my great pleasure to introduce Pat Gelsinger, the CEO of Intel. He's a global leader in the semiconductor industry. He's been a leader in the industry for decades.
Actually, should the SPY show that? I think the SPY will show it.
12,000 jobs in total. And it's a perfect example of what we can do if we invest in America's manufacturing industry again. So with that, I will turn it over to Pat.
No, I can't see it on the SPY. That's right. The SPY's only been around since the 90s.
Thank you, Secretary Raimondo.
I had to go on the Dow.
Thank you, President. Thank you for my best Ohio friends and the senators. And we look forward to being welcomed.
No, I had to bring it up on
Ohio.
the other fucking trading platform.
Today, such an exciting occasion, historic day for Intel and the global semiconductor industry. And for a farm boy from Pennsylvania, I thought I'd never be here. Today, Intel is announcing plans for an initial investment of more than $20 billion to build 2 new leading-edge fabs in Ohio. I would be remiss not to thank Governor DeWine and his team in Ohio.
Yeah, but this 1970s crash was a completely different scenario because we had the president in there actually directly influencing the chairman.
Ohio later today. This will be our first new manufacturing site in 40 years. And
that's what was the big difference between the 1970s crash. Who was it, Nixon? I want to say it was Nixon, right?
A total of 8 chip factories, or fabs as we call them. What we're announcing today is the first 2.
Can't even spell.
We hope to build out that full campus. This initial investment is $20 billion, the single largest private sector investment in Ohio.
I'll find it over here and bring it up.
We plan to continue to grow this presence. You know, at full build out, this site could grow to as much as $100 billion of total investment over the next.
Yeah, I gotta bring it up on fucking Fidelity.
The impact of a mega site
Fidelity,
like this
but,
is simply profound. The
Thinkorswim.
semiconductor factory is not like other factories. It's more like a small city supporting a vibrant community of services, suppliers, and ancillary businesses. You can think about this as a magnet for the entire tech industry. And all of this is creating new jobs. And we plan to invest an additional $100 million over the next decade to help develop and attract a pipeline.
I think Intel could be a good play.
And bolster research programs throughout the region. Intel's investments will help meet the unprecedented demand for advanced semiconductors, or chips as they are called. As every consumer in America now knows, we've seen disruptions in our supply chain globally. Many products are in back order, and Christmas trees were not nearly as full this year, simply because the industry does not have enough
Why did it delete it
chips.
for?
Our lives depend on them. And ponder for a moment, what portion of your life is not becoming more digital? Our dependence, the criticality of semiconductors, the brains that are powering critical industries, education, business, medicine,
I don't have that program on this computer no more. Why the fuck did I delete it off of that one?
National security. All of these depend on chips. But as Secretary Raimondo said, most semiconductors today are sourced overseas. As a country, we cannot rely solely on imports for such essential technology. And the only way to address this economic and security risk is to increase our domestic semiconductor manufacturing capacity. That's why last year I announced a historic investment to expand our operations in Arizona and Mexico. And as the company who put silicon into Silicon Valley, and the company that is now the catalyst for the Silicon Heartland, Intel is committed to restoring end-to-end leadership, innovation, and manufacturing here in the U.S. We are doing our part, but we can't do it alone.
I forgot I deleted that
The federal
program off this
government has
computer
shown
like an idiot.
strong bipartisan support for growing this strategic industry. And I'd like to thank President Biden, Secretary Raimondo, and everybody involved in this supporting the semiconductor industry. And I would also like to thank Senator Schumer, Cornyn, and
Dude,
Representatives
Alcoa, man, they
Matsuda
had
and McCall
fucking
for
great earnings and it got
the Chips for
scammed.
America Act. But as Secretary Raimondo said, now Congress needs to finish the job. Our announcement today is motivated by the CHIPS Act. We're putting our chips on the table, as I like to say. We are getting started, but this project will be bigger and faster with the CHIPS Act. The CHIPS Act will help address the long-term impacts of the semiconductor shortage, global supply chain challenges, and associated rising costs faced by American families today. It will also ensure America maintains
It's
its
T.
leadership
What's
role
going
in
on, man? Good morning,
semiconductor
bro. Good morning.
manufacturing and
Is it good
R&D.
morning? Good afternoon? Yeah.
We
Good morning.
welcome the
Still fucking barely
opportunity
earlier.
to
8:30.
work with President
Who's
Biden,
this guy talking?
federal
Oh,
and
waiting for
state
Biden, bro.
governments to
Biden's about to
transform
speak.
the
He's
turmoil
address
of
the
this
nation right
time
now.
into a
Again,
recovery
because of
that
yesterday's
creates
fiasco,
world-changing
he's like,
technology
nah, bro, I
to
gotta go
improve
clutch
the
it.
life of every person on the planet.
He called that one
Thank you.
reporter an idiot or
It's
some
now
shit.
my honor, my pleasure, and something a farm kid from Pennsylvania would have never imagined
That shit
that I
was
get to
fucking funny,
introduce
bro.
the President of the United States.
Yo, what
Mr.
happened?
President,
Don't tell me they cut it, bro.
Well, you've introduced a kid from Scranton, Pennsylvania.
Oh, I
don't
thought
need
they
it
cut
either,
him. I
so,
thought they cut him.
It's great to be with you. Pat, thanks for the introduction, and this is a truly historic investment in America, in American workers. This group of Washington reporters have heard
Let's
me say
see,
many
man. Let's see.
times,
Because last time they cut this fool off, they were like, "Pff, cut the
they're the
plug.
most qualified folks in the world here in the United States of America. And I want to thank Sherrod Brown and Rob Portman, two senators who deserve an enormous amount of credit for us getting to this place right now.
Oh, okay, okay. My bad. That's why.
The idea that
me send it to that
we
computer.
can work together is always just
I got a lot going on over here.
people here, I think. And I want to thank Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo, who from day one has been helping lead our efforts to strengthen American manufacturing in America and American innovation. Look, Pat just laid out today's big announcement by one of America's most important companies. This historic investment for Ohio.
Here, we'll send it
of
over
the
right now.
largest
Hang
investment
on.
in semiconductor
Share
manufacturing
vid, photo.
in American history.
Send it to the
A
Mac.
brand new $20 billion campus outside of Columbus, Ohio. 7,000 construction jobs, 3,000 full-time jobs. And I was kidding Pat earlier. I said, I may need a job. And he said, well, it's not bad.
You little fucker.
$100,000 on the line, but I got to get some training. But look, at the singular,
Hear this guy?
look, to be able to say, made in Ohio, made in America, what we used to always be able to say 25, 30 years ago. That's what this is about. But folks at home might be wondering, why it's such a big deal for manufacturing something so small, the size of a postage stamp? Why is that so important? Well, semiconductors are small computer chips that power virtually everything in our lives.
Yeah, it wasn't that
Your
bad. It
phone,
wasn't that bad. I have to find
your
the right one
car,
on it. That one doesn't
your
show it right.
refrigerator, your washing machine, hospital equipment, the internet, the electric grid, and so much
Hey,
more.
what's this guy talking
Here's
about?
the deal. America
What?
invented these chips.
America?
America invented these chips. And federal research and development led to the creation of these chips. Taxpayer dollars. These chips.
Come on,
help
bro. Hey,
power
you know, if
NASA
Trump was in the house,
mission
bro,
to the moon.
the market would have shot up
Federal investment helped
15% right
build
now, man. I'm
across
telling
the
you.
chips
If
to build a market in an entire industry. As a result, over 30 years ago, America had about 40% of global production. But since
They're all
that
just
time,
kids from
something
small
happened.
towns. I like their
American
emphasis on that,
manufacturing,
right?
The backbone of our economy got hollowed out. Companies moved jobs and production overseas, especially from in the industrial Midwest. Decades ago, we used to invest 2% of our gross domestic product in
No
research and
lie,
development.
right?
Say it
No
again.
fucking lie, bro.
We invested 2%.
Fuck
decades
Waldo,
ago,
man,
our
you
gross
nailed it on
domestic
Bitcoin.
product in
Fuck, bro, I'm
pure
telling you, you
research
did.
and
You fucking
development.
nailed it on that one.
Today, it's less than 1%. We were ranked
Peloton,
number one
baby,
in the world
2803, little
in
scammer.
R&D. But guess what? We now rank number 9.
Ooh, Netflix, bro. Like, that
China
could have
was
been a
number
nice
8
little
in the
fucking
world
grab off of
3
Netflix
decades
to
ago.
come in there and hit the bottom pick.
Now they're number 2. Another
Look
countries
at
are
that
closing
shit
in
on
fast.
Netflix, bro.
As a result, today we barely
That
produce
was the
10%
problem.
of the computer chips.
First
despite
was
being a leader in
Peloton, and
chip
then
design
fucking
and research.
Netflix finished it off,
We
and
don't
look
have
at
the
it's
ability
gassing it now.
to
They're
make
like,
the
oh yeah,
most
that's right, they're
advanced
charging
chips
more now.
Right now. But today, 75%
But a
of
firm's
production
still in the
takes place
gutter.
East
How the
Asia.
fuck is a firm still in the
90%
gutter and they
of
got
most
directly
advanced
affected
chips
because of
are made in
Peloton?
Taiwan. China is doing everything it can to take over
Wild.
the global market, so they can try to outcompete the rest
Yeah,
of us
Waldo
and
nailing it
have
on the
a lot of
Bitcoin shit.
applications, including military applications.
Actually, where's Bitcoin at?
Folks, look, during this pandemic, your pocketbook.
Yo, the
felt
pandemic you said
consequences.
you were gonna end.
Inflation,
I'm just
higher
saying.
prices.
I'm just saying.
Whenever a factory shuts down in one part of the world, the production and shipments
Dude,
of goods
affirm, you
to
little
shops
scammer.
and homes and business all over the world gets disrupted. COVID-19 has compounded that problem.
Come on, Ford. Ford
Many
hasn't woke up
times
for this
over,
shit yet.
especially with these computer chips. As a
Little bit,
result,
little bit. No, not
everything
really.
from cars to dishwashers are delayed getting to showrooms and customers, just as demand for them is up because the economy is growing. And because supply is low, we find ourselves in a position that we're really behind the curve. Prices are going up. In fact, 1/3 of the recent price increases that have been seen nationally are due to car prices, as mentioned earlier. You know, I'm going to turn to the boss here. What percentage of chips are needed to build a car
Who's the-
today, and what's going to happen in the next 5 to 10 years?
4% today, 20% by 2030.
20% by 2030 is going to be required to.
Actually, you know what? Let me
that's
turn
what the
this.
car is made of. 20% of it is going to be these computer chips. Historic as today's
No,
announcement
does that
is,
sound better?
we need to be. This is just the beginning. And this is an important part of today's message. Right now, there's a bill in front of the United States Congress, because the two men behind me are pushing it. U.S. Innovation and Competition Act, which includes several of the ideas I proposed last year that would accelerate the progress in a big way. The bill calls for authorizing nearly for research and supply chain. Look, including
Whoops.
empowering the
Sorry about
National
that.
Science Foundation to bring together local communities, universities, community colleges, private companies, and more partnerships like this. And by the way, speaking of community colleges, you all know this, the Washington Press Corps knows at least. My wife is a community college professor. She said it's the best kept secret in America. This is a community college graduate who skipped his senior year in high school, went to local community college, and then went on.
What the fuck's he going on about?
My wife's got to meet you.
Is he? Oh,
Look, this
thought he was
includes a
whispering again.
$52 billion incentive for more companies to build their manufacturing facilities here in the United States of America. I want other cities and states to be able to make announcements like the one being made here today.
yeah,
That's
market
why I
don't give a
wanna
fuck.
see Congress
Come on, the
pass
market
this
don't
bill
give
right away
a
and
fuck.
get it
The
to my
oil's still
desk.
down
Let's get another
1.66%.
historic piece of bipartisan legislation done. Let's do it for the sake of our
We'll see
economic
what the last
competitiveness
hour
and
of the
our
day
national
holds for
security.
everybody here, though.
Let's do it for the cities and towns all across America.
Coming up on
We're gonna get to a
8:37.
piece of the global economic package. And let's do it for the dignity and pride of this country and the American worker. I made clear while I was running for president, and from day one of this administration, we are going to invest in America. We're investing in American workers. We're going to stamp everything we can made in America, especially these computer chips. Vice President Harris and I, along with Secretary Raimondo and our entire team,
these computer
have met with
chippies.
members of Congress in both parties because this is a bipartisan issue. We brought business and labor together to see where we could ramp up production and help resolve.
I'm tired of hearing about bipartisan.
Soon
I'm
after I was
tired of
sworn
hearing
in, I
about
signed an executive
bipartisan.
order to revitalize American manufacturing and making our
Dude.
supply chains more resilient to disruptions. whether it's a pandemic, climate change, or cyber attacks. In some cases, building resilience will mean increasing our production here at home. In others, it means working more closely with our trusted friends and partners, nations that share our values, so that the supply chains do not get used against us as leverage. In fact, I made this clear to President Xi of China. We need not have confrontation, but we have a stiff economic and technological competition, and we're going to insist everyone, including China, play by the same rules. We're going to invest whatever it takes in America, in American innovation, in American communities, and American workers. That's exactly what we're doing here today. As a result of the progress we've made, record economic growth, record job growth, faster economic recovery than any other nation on earth, we are better positioned globally than we have been in a long, long time. Intel's historic investment is one example.
PLTR is coming back down a little bit more.
In fact, last year, the largest semiconductor companies, including Samsung and Micron, committed $80 billion to build new facilities in the United States, in Arizona, New York, Oregon, Texas. And why are these companies choosing us, the United States? I think it's because they know we have the most productive workers, the best research universities, a dynamic venture capitalist system, and a rule of law that protects intellectual property. I think we're better positioned than any nation, any nation, to seize these
So we go
opportunities.
down a bit now. It's just a little bit more, man. But it's setting up for like a good long play in here. Like you see, I'm looking at fucking January 23 calls. Like I might even get fucking the 2024 leaps. If it comes down just enough,
Bridges, ports, airports,
these 2024 leaps are. I mean, the last time I looked at the 2024 leaps, they were up there. These motherfuckers were expensive. So let it come down a little bit more,
And it means America,
The $30,
is the most
maybe the
attractive
25
place
strike don't look too
for
bad.
companies like Intel to invest and make their products. Because of the law, this year, for the first time in 2 decades, our infrastructure
Yeah, there's a
investment
lot
will
of
grow
open interest on these
faster
ones.
than
What's it looking
China's
like on both
for the
sides,
first
though?
time in decades. This is a game changer. Now we have to build on that progress. And that's what this today is about.
A
It
lot. I
includes
mean,
China's
the
acting
at
on
least the
competition
people that are
rules
playing
I mentioned
contracts,
earlier.
anyways,
My
they are
administration is
pretty
gonna
much
keep using
pretty
all the
bullish
tools we have to
on
reshore our supply
PLTR.
chains,
And
strengthen
these
our
contracts
economies,
aren't cheap.
and make more
But I
America.
mean, you
At the
said
end of
fuck.
the day, this is about
That's a lot of money tied into some
national
contracts
security,
over there on
economic security,
PLTR.
and it's about jobs. Good paying, decent jobs you can raise a family on. Jobs
That's
now.
a lot.
Jobs for the future.
Somebody
Jobs in every
they
part of
ain't
the
fucking
country.
around over there on the
Jobs that
contract
show
side. That's for
we
sure.
Bring the industrial Midwest back. It shows the world that we're always going to fight for American workers. In fact, these facilities are a symbol of what America's all about. PhD engineers, scientists, alongside community college graduates. As my
They
wife
got a
says,
lot
they're
of people betting
best
against the
kept secret in America.
238
Pat went
strike,
on
though.
beyond that. But people of different
Or the
ages,
238
races,
day one,
backgrounds,
September
working side by
22nd.
side.
That's
All
like
working
right around the
together
corner.
to do the same thing.
Right? September
The most
16th, like right around the corner, bro. That we'll be coming up on that pretty fast.
Tiny computer chip the size of a stamp. They're showing what I've always believed. There is nothing.
Damn,
nothing
little
beyond our
scammer, bro.
capacity
It looks
to
like they're still betting against
and get
PLTR
together
for another
as the
like
United States of
6
America.
months.
And I want to thank Pat again and Intel. I can't wait to see this next visit that
Nobody's
they're
really
about to
playing.
have in Ohio today. And I want to make one last comment. You know, folks,
Looks like it's a mixed bag even on the
And I
fucking
asked
put
Pat,
side over there. The call and
asked
put
many
ratio
other
looks like a mixed
corporate
bag
leaders
short term on
about
PLTR. They
this
look like they're very
when
uncertain.
the United States of America, when the government
Long term looks
makes
pretty
a
solid though.
decision
Anything
to
for like the
invest
2024
in
leaps look like
certain
people are betting
resources
against, are
in a
betting
new
for it.
industry or in an area
2023,
that we need to build
2024.
up.
But 2022
That
looks like it's going to be an
encourages
accumulation
businesses
year
to
for
build
PLTR.
This is going to happen. I'll get in too.
That's just looking at the contract side. Anything can happen, though. I mean, hell, all they need to do is come up with some solid earnings and some solid news, and then they'll go. Or some good guidance
When, you know,
and fly in a few
I'm
months.
sure there were
Yeah.
people who looked at both my colleagues who helped lead the
I
fight
think
in
this
the
little run we'll
CHIPS
see for
Act,
February up
trying to
until like
pass
maybe
it.
the before selling May go away happens. PLTR should have a nice little run up. It should get up to like the $20 mark and above. Yeah.
So, folks, I'm going to say what I
But be
always
ready to sell it and go away in May, though.
This
Remember
country
May.
can do.
Do not forget about May.
Every
Remember
single
last
thing
year
we
how
can do.
fucking, slow it
You've
was.
heard me say it before.
I'm gonna be
Say it
well
again.
exited out of most of my positions
I was
before
talking
May
to them.
even
I
hits.
spent about an hour and a half today.
As soon as May hits, I'm definitely gonna go away. I'm gonna go away in May this time. Fuck that. I'm not trading this fucking one.
I told them about when President Xi
It
asked
really
me
slowed
if I
down
was
during
America.
summertime last year, so that's like
I
I'm
was
gonna play
ready,
that
and I
same
was
thing.
excited with it. I said, yeah. One word. One word. Possibilities. Possibilities. We can do anything if we put our mind to it.
Why is May so
God bless
bad?
all
It's
the
just summertime.
troops. And by
A
the
lot of
way,
people
the reason we're not
they
gonna
sell
have
and they
any
go
time
away
for
and then you
now,
go and
these guys
fucking have their
are gonna put
vacation.
on a plane and go out and do a major announcement in
It usually
Ohio.
doesn't happen like
You guys
it's
will
usually,
ask me all
sometimes
the
it happens like
questions
right on the
about
dot,
what
but
they do.
you'll notice like a lot of the volume slows down because a lot of institution investors, they're not at the office, they're chilling. I mean, shit, you'll see me less on live too because it gets pretty hot out here in the office, so I'll be like, fuck that, I'm gonna stay in the house. You know, so that's just it just works both ways. The big hedge funds, they usually take off too. The big banks, they usually start taking off and having their fun in the sun.
We're doing things that we're finding out here in the United States. We have assets we didn't know we had in terms of raw materials.
Yeah, you just sell in May. I didn't believe it at first. Is he gonna leave? Is he gonna walk out? He didn't answer shit. He said, fuck that, I'm out. Drop the mic, bitch. Look, he didn't answer nothing. Thank you, people. Get out of here. Thank you, leave. Yo, man. Yo, damn. Bro, that lady's solid. The one that just shushed everybody off. She's like, thank you. Get out of here. Get out of here. No more questions. Get out of here. Just get out of here. PLTR has a 31.61 institutional hold on it. Yeah, they do got a lot of institutions holding on it. Market's kind of calmed down a little bit, though. Calmed down a little bit. But yeah, I do want to get some 2024 leaps on PLTR.
Traffic at a standstill on Highway 99 in Sacramento.
No, we don't want to hear
after a
about
big
that.
crash there.
Shut up. I'm gonna shut up. Yeah, but I think the 2024 leaps will be good for PLTR. I've been watching PLTR for a while. I mean, it just barely came out a year ago. So, I mean, usually you give it a little while and you'll see where it goes, or about 2 years now. Yeah, no, it's coming up on a year and a half. So it's still fairly new, so you see how it held up after the first 2 years. It's actually, all the bullshit's going on. It really isn't that bad. I mean, we got a lot of other companies that are back or below pre-IPO prices. Majority of everything's at or, below it for a lot of shit that just came out. And I mean, PLTR is still holding up. If you would have bought in IPO day, I mean, fuck, you'd be killing it right now. You would be fucking laughing at everybody. Hell, I wish I'd have held my PLTR way back then, but I just jumped in as a hype play. But, now it's time to see if fundamentals can hold up on it. So far, like I said, price action's been holding up very solid on PLTR. I mean, it's not one to ignore. That's for damn sure. Especially when you consider it with a lot of other shit that is below where they were a year ago. It's pretty big. It's actually pretty big on PLTR to hold it up. This might be actually a pretty big day today. I mean, we got some nice volume coming in. Everything just is red right now, but it's turning out to be a very big move. Euro did close about 17 minutes ago. Completely forgot about it. Euro close was right here. Oh, wait, where's the SPY at? I'm not looking at GameStop. Comparing when the Euro close. You can basically compare with anything. But yeah, Euro close is here, and we just kind of sold off. We just kind of sold off since Euro close, so that kind of gives you an idea of where we're at on this side of the ocean. It looks like we're fucking sell everything right now almost. It looks like it's about to happen again. I mean, we got all this volume, and like we're not even going. Yeah, everything's gonna start selling off. Like, there's a lot more sellers than there are buyers right now. Like, it just seems like more people are running for the door. A lot more people are running for the door right now. Everyone needs that fucking drinking money for the weekend. You know, that's what it made. That kind of makes sense, huh? They make sure they have available funds on their Robinhood card. That's good. That's good. Alex D, that's good, man. I like it. That's fucking hilarious. Make sure that their Fidelity card has an available funds on it, because, you know, I got a Fidelity card, I got a Coinbase card, I got a couple different cards. Fuck shit. I remember those days, like 2019, when I got my first card from Robinhood, because I actually, I've been trading with Robinhood back when you needed to get an invitation, bro. Like, that's how long I've been with Robinhood. You know what I mean? Back when you had to be invited by somebody. But yeah, I remember that shit. Having to make sure that I was like, oh shit, the week's about to close. It's Friday. I got about 10 minutes left. Let me make sure I'm gonna sell a little bit of this position right here. I got some funds left over for the weed and shit. Smart, man. I didn't think about that part. I don't do that no more though. I don't do that no more. Imagine they implant sell delay for stocks. If you sell today, you get, you know, right, bro? That's fucking, man. Imagine, that would be crazy. Where's MO? Where's Altria at? Altria is chilling at 50.37. I mean, damn, I thought there were going to be more smokers out there. Only up 0.8%. That would be pretty fun though, huh? Hell yeah. That would be pretty cool. The only thing holding up is the SPY. The SPY is still chilling right here at the moving average. Like, I think because if you look at the Dow, you look at the NASDAQ, they're all below their averages. Way below their averages. I mean, I'm just kind of throwing it out there right now, but I'm pretty sure. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, look at the NASDAQ. It's below the fucking 200-day moving average. That's like the fucking 300-day moving average. Like, dude, like, where is it? Where are you? Dude, that's like the 350? Yeah, we're right above the 350. You know, just call that the 300-day moving average, you know? Fuck, that's wild. Never in my life I think I see that. I don't remember the last time I seen it that low. Fuck. Corona. Look at that. Everything else. The only thing that's not is the SPY. SPY's fucking holding up right there at the 200-day moving average. Like, it's SPY's the next one. Keep an eye on the SPY though. The SPY's got to slip. SPY's still holding up pretty solid. That's bad, you know what I mean? That's bad, right? You see it? You can see it. So, I mean, you can look at the Russell 2000. All of them they're right there. But all eyes are on the SPY right now. The SPY needs to hold it up. Like, where we basically need to see if the buy the dippers are showing up at the 200-day moving average. Because I've never heard of anybody say buy the dip at the 300-day moving average. Usually the buy the dippers are there at the 50-day, the 200-day, the, you know, 150-day, but the 200-day, that's usually when it's time to shut up, or, you know, nut up or shut up. And usually that's when we find out where the settlement is. If that makes any sense. A little bit, huh? It makes a little bit of sense. I ain't no financial. I mean, none of this shit's fucking. It's just the way it works. It makes sense. It makes sense. That's what a lot of people use the moving averages for. Like, that's how I look at it. Like, all right, we got conviction. A lot of people used to be there at the 50-day moving average, and then they died off the 50-day moving average. Like the 50-day, we were eating the 50-day up for a very long time off of the SPY. Like anything was the 50-day, you were good since coronavirus. Every now and then, you know, the 100-day would be, you know, that was like, all right, fuck, like, are they there or are they not? But the 200-day moving average, like, you know what I mean? We've never been there. This is new territory. We haven't seen the 200-day moving average since way back over here, and that wasn't even. You know, we didn't even drop to it. We came back up to it. 227 was the last time we were here in those levels. Like when we came on the downside anyways. I don't know if anybody was trading pre-fucking when COVID hit, but that shit was crazy. And nobody was there to buy that. That was after, you know, the bottom. We just needed to find the bottom. Like, that was all that was back then, was is today going to be the bottom? That's all it was. Like, now it's just all up to Fed Powell. Fuck. Inflation. Crash the market or fucking let inflation run rampant a little bit longer. But I see some bad trending. Yes, very bad trending. Very bad trending coming. Like, you just look at the charts. The charts aren't lying. Charts, fucking, you zoom out and look at it and just correlate it with what's going on. And unfortunately, what correlates right now with the SPY is exactly what Fed Powell was talking about in 2018 when he pivoted, 2017, 19. Like, you can see when it... You can actually watch the videos and time it with the market. When he said no pivot in 2018, the market's just skyrocketed. And I lost a lot of money because I thought he was going to do it. And then now I'm kind of thinking there's no way he can. He's going to have to pivot again. This message everyone established that today is the bottom and we built up from Monday. There's a possibility. Now, the possibility might be Wednesday, though, because last time this shit happened, which was December 15, I'm a little rusty on it when I first started trading, but I want to say this was like right here. December 15th was this weekend. Like, Fed Powell had all like back-to-back conferences. On the 13th or the 15th, which was the weekend, that's when he said, you know what, we're not going to cut it. Or no, wait, actually it was on the 24th, right before Christmas. That was our Christmas present from Fed Powell. And he was like, you know what, we're not gonna pivot, and we're just gonna run it up and let everything kind of run rampant for a little while. This was back when we had 2% inflation. Like, you know, I mean, they were fighting for 2% inflation back then. That's what they wanted. And then, you know, unfortunately, COVID hit. We dropped down, and then now we're sitting at fucking record levels of inflation, which he can let it run a little bit longer, but fuck, it's still a new phenomenon. Like, we don't even understand how this shit really works. We don't even understand how this shit works. The rate cut, the rate hikes, like, they barely started doing it. Like, maybe the first one was in 2016, 2013. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Shit, there's a lot. It's been going on. But we'll see. We shall see what happens. Oh, wind advisory, extreme wind advisory down in Palm Springs. I don't know why I still get notifications for Palm Springs. 87% buy orders today on GME, almost 9-1. Just gotta love those mind games. Are you fucking serious? That's fucking wild. Also, did the meeting come and go? What was the man? He didn't really, you know. Yeah, said a couple things about Ford. He praised Intel for fucking cutting their ties with China, and he said America. And then, you know, we got a little bit of green. I'm gonna head out to eat, see your money on the green market. Hell yeah, man, you take care of yourself. Yeah, he really didn't say much very eventful. The market didn't like what he said. I mean, because after Euro close, like, Euro close was like right here, and it looks like we're just fucking full sell off. Oh, wait a minute. Yellen's supposed to be talking right now. What do you call it? A mollywop? Today is just a bloodbath, bro. We got bodies rolling down the street. Like, people are running for the door more than they're buying the dip. And the fact that we have the SPY at the 200-day moving average is pretty wild right now. I don't think a lot of people realize that, you know, the 200-day moving average for the SPY is pretty big. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. And then you can see the way the moving averages have changed trajectory significantly, especially the 50-day. But I think we got a little bit more room to come down. Unfortunately, I think we'll come back and test these lows back in fucking October of last year, and then that'll probably line up with when Fed Powell's supposed to speak on the 25th. Yeah, it's gonna be on the 25th. 25th. And then we'll see. Buy the dip? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I've been slowly buying the dip here and there. One of the market did not like what he said. He said the market usually crops its paint more and him on the good day on his pants, craps his pants. Yeah, usually, but fuck. Euro closed, and it looks like a lot of buyers were on the euro side because looks like we're full sell on this side, baby. We're full sell on this side. Where's the door at, bro? Let me at the door. I don't care what door it is. I'm out. That's what's going on right now. I'm not selling shit though. I'm still been buying calls that are, fucking with enough time on them. I got Altria calls. Those are, kind of clobbered. This one got scammed. But yeah, and then today got a lot of contracts expiring too. So every hour on the hour or every half hour, you'll see a big fluctuation of price. It's a crazy day, man. It's a crazy day. Mike, man, how you doing, baby? Fuck my life, man. Fuck me with the strapped on lubes with well shit. Yeah, it's bad, bro. But it's not. I mean, I think, like I was just telling everybody, Mike, I think Powell's he's not going to pivot. It's going to be like 2018 again, and he's going to let inflation run rampant a little bit more. Because, the man is either going to be responsible for crashing the market or saving the market. I don't think he wants to be he wants to be Fed Volcker again, like the guy that crashed the 1970s market. But, like I said, 1970 had a lot more influence in it. You had the president directly trying to influence the fucking Fed chairman and shit. There was a lot more going on over there. Even though Trump kind of influenced Powell. He tried influencing Powell. He tried. But, Powell's kind of kept stuck to his guns. But I don't think he's going to stick to his guns this time right now. Yeah. I can hear my grandma already. Biden is a savior. Did you see him on the TV? On the TV thingy today? I'm like, I can smell him like fuck. But the market's kind of taking it, it's not doing too bad. It's very just, the volatility's still out there, bro. It's there. Crypto got clapped. Fuck, what more do you want? What more do you want? We got crypto back down under the motherfuckers. Crow coin is, kind of holding up, though. I mean, I'm waiting for Crow to come down to 36 cents. A little bit more. It's got more room to come down. But yeah, how's everybody else been out there though? Here, this is a full panic mode. This is kind of like me yesterday with my ear when it was unplugged, but a lot worse. It's a lot worse. It's full like anxiety mode right now. This is panic attack, full blown panic attack. Oh wait, Janet Yellen is speaking. Hang on, let me see if I can find her. See what Janet Yellen got to say. Sometimes she says some fucking very interesting shit.
Do you want to know how much money YouTube...
Nah, we ain't gonna listen to no Janet Yellen. Fuck that bitch. I can already see where she's gonna go with that. Powell decision results in two options. One, he bails out banks, hedge funds, and we play the bill. Again, you know what I mean? Inflation keeps going up like Turkey, Germany. He commits to investing rates and inflation goes down. We're rich. Oh, don't get it twisted at all. Rate hikes will come very, very quick. It's just, we were looking at the fucking Fed futures the other day, and we seen that motherfucker jump about 5%. So the possibility of a higher rate cut for 2022 is still there. It's just short term. I think he's gonna let us run it up a little bit. That's why I said, remember, sell in May, go away, and I'm gonna be sure to be sold and go away by May. And then have a couple plays ready to go, for 2023, 2024, because I think it's time to fucking close down the hat, close shop up, baby. Almost done. Lock it up and just, make educated plays from here on out. And trim back a lot of these ones that don't bring anything to the table, especially the ones that burn a lot of cash. And like me and fucking Waldo were just saying, you know, try to get rid of any fucking debt you have. Like, that's where I'm at right now. Any debt we got, it's got to go bye-bye. Try to cut everything down to zero. Cause fuck, that'd be the best bet. Cause then if they start raising rates, or if they don't, then at least you'll be at a good, you know, you'll be in a good situation. Especially if they start fucking bringing rates down to zero again. You know what I mean? I don't think that's gonna happen though. We'll see what happens though. This shit still ain't over yet. He did stuff. I mean, other than that, I mean, Biden was only talking about what, the fucking COVID bullshit, saying it should have been over, but it didn't go away by itself. Let's see, man. After this crash, and we mow ass, and hey, you know what? Don't get it. This is a fucking crash. I mean, you know, the Nasdaq has been down 64 days consecutively in a row. That's like a quarter of the trading year. You know what I mean? Because you only trade about 220 days out of the year. So yeah, we you know, it's a crash. He's all fucking down. The equity market's all tangible from here on out. You know, all tangible. I bought some XTZ on this dip so I can stake it. Fuck yeah, bro. I am considering the money invested as spent, and I will take profits from staking. That's smart, Mike. That's smart. That'll work, bro. But like right now, what I'm doing is I'm second guessing all these short-term plays I've made. Like the long term is still solid. It's still up about... Fuck, it's only up 8%, but you know what? A lot of people would kill for 8% from, you know, to still have it up. I mean, last year I think I did 18%, no, fuck, I did 16.2% on that one, and that was a fucking battle. But I mean, I'm just gonna go through there and like even this little YouTube account right here, I'm gonna trim back on a lot of these ones that are just fucking not bringing shit to the table. Correct me if I'm wrong, but staking equals dividends, right? Basically. It's like dividends. Like, that's where I want to go for right now. I want to go for high-paying dividend stocks that have been fucking paying out. Like, hey, my AT&T position, yeah, AT&T's been in the gutter for a very long time, but I mean, with the dividend payout on it has actually almost paid for itself in a weird way, especially with the recent gains it's made. Because remember, I've been buying AT&T for quite a while. I've been shooting it out for quite a minute there on the videos, or not even the videos, just on the live stream. That's just the one I like. And Ford, I mean, Ford, now you got the dividend back on Ford, I think Ford's going to be solid. And you got to remember how Ford has held up during all this bullshit that's happened. I mean, if you really zoom out and look at Ford, I mean, Ford has honestly been a pretty solid winner. And I think I was telling everybody the next buy is at the 50-day moving average. And I mean, you look where Ford is right now, it's right there at the 50-day moving average. Ford, I mean, it basically gave back all this little run-up it did, but it's back at the pre-earnings, or the after-earnings run-up it had. But yeah, Ford's killing it, dude. Their dividends, but I got a nice check on dividends from Ford, but I just reinvested it, though. It was a nice little payout from Ford. Prague pump time after BBIG sold off. Last time, Prague went on a big run. It sure did. I think everything's going to have a nice little big run coming up here, Buck. I think everything is. Yeah, I still got Prague needs to go, bro. It needs to fucking run already. It needs to run, bro. We're starting to run out. We're starting to break out, though. I mean, the Netflix, blame everything on Netflix and Piton, but, you know, Netflix is starting to bring it back up. They're starting to come back up. I mean, they got a lot of room to cover, dude. They got pushed off a cliff. But, I mean, this is like full on fucking earnings mode right now. I think that move on Netflix is bringing up, I mean, because that move on Netflix was huge. And then right after Piton, I mean, damn, man, that was like a back-to-back mollywop right there. That's what that was yesterday with Piton and Netflix. These two right here, they fucked the market up. Yeah, but Prague did pump the last time when BBIG kind of had that little sell-off. Depends on the coin being staked and the platform staked on. XTZ, for example, has no initial hold time to claim rewards, but I am staking on Coinbase, so I have to hold 30 days. Minimum of 30 days, huh? Then I can cash out every 3 days. Nice. Netflix was going to get into gaming to compete with GameStop. That's what the word is right now. The word is that I read is that Netflix may be up in line to grab fucking Activision. Like Activision doesn't need to sell to Microsoft. Like, they're saying there's a possibility that Netflix might buy Activision, or Activision might allow them to buy it. I mean, it might be some tinfoil, but the possibility. Imagine if that happened, and then they're gonna try to take on. And then I remember them saying that they wanted to take on GameStop. So I was like, wait a minute, is this the opportunity for Netflix? What? Crazy, huh? Crazy fucking acid. But yeah, I did come across an article, or it was somewhere, I think it was in, where was it at? I think it was some weirdo analyst was talking about it. They were saying that Activision doesn't necessarily need to sell to Microsoft. Which, I mean, they really don't have to. It's all those motherfuckers aren't trying to be like Amazon. Stick to what you know, for fuck's sakes. You know what I mean? Stop trying to be like a Jeff Bezos or Elon. They got everything going on. But yeah, we're good though, man. We're good. I think next week's gonna be very fucking interesting though, man. It's gonna be a wild week. But February's gonna be pretty good though. February's setting up to be a lot pretty volatile. I know a lot of people don't like volatility because they're used to stocks just going up, but hey, this is all part of the game. Benefit on staking on Coinbase instead of on the Tenzo network, as Coinbase guarantees a flat rate of 4.63%. More on Tenzo pays out on chain based on how many times your coins get used. Oh, wow. So they gotta actually be using your coins in order for you to get paid out on it more, huh? But Coinbase, they're like, fuck it, run it. I think Coinbase is gonna make a lot of money here on this next earnings though, because of all this volatility. I think it's making a lot of money for them. Nah, man, SPY's coming back down again. Oh, he said, damn, really? All right. Very informational, man. Yeah, I need we actually should stake some of our Ethereum. I ain't done nothing with it. The wife's been talking about trimming back on it. She don't know nothing about that. She just knows how to hodl. The wife just knows how to hodl. She don't even know what that means. Also, Coinbase has that 4% coin back cashback deal for using a Coinbase card. So if it rents, so like 1,000, that's like $40 in coins. Wow. A lot of groceries. A lot of groceries. SPY's trying to come back up a little bit. Yeah, I've been getting 4% XLM back, and I converted it to Tenzo as well. Nice. Yeah, fucking right on, Mike. Might be killing it. I just hold my shit. I just hold it too. That's all we do over here. We just hodl the coins. I'm like, all right, cool. I already got it set up like where it's like almost like the silver on my desk, but not, because I can't really touch it. If that makes any sense, you know, it's like a collectible that I can't really fucking, you know, not hold just yet, you know, unless it's on the Nano. I guess I can because a lot of it's on the Weiss wallet, so I guess. So yeah, I treat it like silver, bro. I treat it just like silver or like the gold. I'm like, you know, this is there. And if we need it, we need it. Speaking of silver, where's silver at? Silver's holding up. I like it. As soon as silver gets to like 40 bucks, maybe 35, maybe 55, then I'll fucking unload my silver I have. I mean, I'm already up on my silver a lot. I started buying silver at like $8 back when coronavirus happened. Did you see ASM make doubled? They doubled 50% supply into circulation. ASM as of now is dead. Oh, bro. I was actually thinking of selling the ASM looking position the other day. I was looking at it. It's looking sad. It's looking sad. It's looking sad, bro. It's looking fucking sad, bro. I might just have to sell out today. I mean, damn. I don't know. It's down a lot. It's down a lot. It's down like, what, 4 pennies? Yeah, it's like 3 pennies per coin. I got almost 50,000 of those ones over there. And I gotta trim that shit back a lot. I'm not ready yet, though. I'm gonna still hold for a little bit longer, though. We'll see. Wait for another little pop or some shit. Still waiting for alt season. I don't know, though. We'll see if alt season even happens. So I literally dumped an entire paycheck onto my Coinbase card and hold it as cash. I use my CB. Fuck, that's fucking smart, bro. Hell yeah, Mike. That's what I'm saying about Coinbase, bro. Coinbase is killing it. Coinbase. I want to buy a lot more Coinbase. A lot more Coinbase. Like, bring it down some more. It needs to come down to like 140. I mean, I'm down a lot on the Coinbase play, bro. I bought this bitch at fucking IPO price, all right? I got scammed. The worst IPO of my life is right here on Coinbase, but I still like it though. But I think it has, I mean, I barely started buying it not even a year ago. It's a fairly new investment. I knew I should have waited at least a year, but they fucking take a lot of my money, so that's why I went for Coinbase. I have not been researching crypto as much. Can you tell me anything about new developments in Shiba? Yeah, I haven't been following anything on any crypto. No core out of that. I don't even want to look at it. I'm like, it's cool. If I don't look at it, it doesn't do. Hey, we're down a lot on the coin, on our coin, on our crypto. It fell under $400,000. It fell under $440,000 for the first time in like at least like 2 years, bro. 2 years. It's heartbreaking. That shit was almost at $1 million at one point. It was at like 789,000, I think it was. We were like, yeah, and then it got clipped. He said, can we check it out, Isaac? I'd have to talk to the wife on that one. That's the wife's account on her, the one where she has all her Ethereum bullshit. Oh, sheep. Of course, bro. Shit, all I gotta do is sheep coin just chilling right there. I don't mess with meme coins. They are pure speculation, and I do not see long-term gains in them. Pure speculation. Let's see. Is there anything on Shiba out there? Any new news out there for Shiba? Layer 1 stakeables are only coins I would touch right now. Right? Shiba Enterprise falls. They just got something about it falling. It hasn't fell that much. Coinbase leaks they're going to shake crypto markets, huh? He said, well, Mike, that's why you're killing it in crypto. You know, he's got rules, bro. You gotta have rules. Gotta have rules you stick to. Oh, that's right. The island reversal. I forgot about that this morning. That was like the big headliners. Anybody else hear about that? The island reversal. It's a very rare pattern. Very rare pattern. It's only happened like 3 times in the history of fucking history or some shit. I don't know. It's crazy. But yeah, I definitely got to get away from the ASM. ASM as the only other one I think I actually want to sell right now when it comes to the crypto. I wouldn't say killing it, just playing it safe, bro, right? I need my money to grow. I can't ride it into the dirt. You damn right, man. Amen to that, bro. Fucking horn. Gotta keep your money safe, man. Be very cautious. Like, do you realize I'm still holding on to a majority of my Tesla fucking profits, right? Like, I haven't fully invested all those profits I made from 2021. Like, I'm keeping the money fucking, it's locked up right now. I'm like, nah, I'm not fucking. That's why I've been making only these little small contract plays here and there, like 1, 2, maybe 5, 10 here and there. But nothing like before. I'm not even buying really shares right now. A few here and there. Like, I think, a firm? I kind of want a little buck wild on a firm because, I mean, I think a firm's going to do well. I like a firm where it's at. Especially it's only been out for a few years and it finally came back up. And especially, I mean, because of what happened yesterday with fucking the Peloton news. Oh, man, I was all over it after the Peloton news. I was like, let's get it, bro. I was like, a firm just got clapped for no reason because of Peloton. I know fucking the firm's not only selling Pelotons, you know what I mean? Oh my god, what if Ryan Conan came out with a GME coin with Kenny's face on it? Bro, that would be fucking crazy. Right? Yeah, that's why I'm kind of just sticking with Crow Coin, because I'm like, well, they have, you know, kind of a use case going on. They make money, they reinvest their investments into their companies that they invest in. They got all those fees they charge. I'm like, I'm just gonna stick with that coin right now and see where it goes. We're coming back down to the lows, like I said. I mean, after Euro close, the settlement on this side over here, it's not looking hot, bro. Like, everybody's still selling off to the door. They said we got to get the fuck off this boat. We don't want to play this game no more. It's unfortunate to see, though. It's unfortunate to see. I still don't think a lot of people even realize where we're at with the 200-day moving average and how big it is. Like, because, I mean, the rip we will get from this is going to be fucking huge. Like, the rip. Like, it's going to be big. Like, you know, this was 2008. This is what we're expecting. Hopefully. I mean, shit, because they can keep coming down. Like, I don't know. Yeah, the rip's going to be big on this one, bro. Or a picture of a bedpost. Like the one Kenny threw on it. Look at that. Fucking acid, bro. That's good, man. That's fucking funny. Damn. I mean, I can't. That shit. Netflix is killing it right now, bro. Killing it. They got a lot of room to go, though. Dollar cost averaging every drop in the 10 zone and staking it on the only safe bet I personally could come up with until market recovers. I can still pay myself this way. That works, Mike. Shit. Yeah. I'm a little longer. I'm waiting a little bit longer for this shit to actually smooth out right here. It hasn't completely smoothed out yet. Like, there's still a lot more shit that can come down. It needs a little bit more. A little bit more. 440. Like I said, I'm waiting for the 440. I'm waiting for the fucking 435 area. Like, that's gonna be nasty, dude. Like, maybe, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, this puts a lot of pressure under Fed Powell. Feels just like 2018 all over again. Just a lot more velocity on it. Fuck, rip, damn you. He's all fucking go already, motherfucker. Nah, bro, we need that. It's gonna be next week. Like, we're gonna hear from Fed Pal back to back to back again, just like we did 2018. I'm actually gonna go find those videos, and you're gonna. It seemed just like the last time we talked to him. The last FOMC just sounded just like 2018. Like I saw a meme on Twitter, and they played a little bit of it. And I was like, dude, they're not lying. Yo, U.S. to suspend 44 flights segments from fucking China. U.S. to suspend 44 flights. Yep, going to China. They said, nah, no more flying to China. 44. It's a lot of planes. Take a look at Adam. I think they bought last month at 12.24. There we go. Adam. What the hell's that noise? I don't know. I was gonna mic later, y'all. Oh, yeah, man. Thanks for coming in, Acid. Appreciate it, bro. You take care of yourself. I'll catch you tomorrow, man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shut this down here in the next 15, 20 minutes here. I'm gonna go take a break. Think about running in at lunchtime. Old Adam. Adam's actually holding up pretty solid over there, huh? Adam's been killing it. I think you told me about Adam before. Remember you bringing up Adam before? Yeah, Adam's holding up solid. It's not too bad right now. I bought it last month at 21 and sold at 25. I hate myself, especially when it's fucking 5% staking reward. That sucks, bro. Yeah, it's killing it. You hate when that shit happens? Yeah, that one just ripped up off from the 21, 22. It just took off. Said rip, damn it, rip already. Yeah, we got a lot of cryptos fucking holding down. I got a lot of people holding that one too, huh? Or on the watch list at least. What are they looking like on Twitter over there? They got a lot of people on Twitter on that one. That one's always popping up. Tweets in the last little while, huh? What the hell is that noise in the background? That's the problem with this market, man. YouTubers incite fear and panic. People make rash decisions and then miss out. Not going back on Denzo. I missed the Adam train. Not missing this one, right? I mean, way too many of them putting too much FUD and too much clickbait bullshit out there. It's like, man, you need to stop it already. You know, fuck, you nailed on that one, Mike, man. It's way too many of them. Man, you're not fucking lying, bro. Inflation, though, man. Inflation is really, the fear of inflation is running rampant, bro. Like, it kind of gets me, I mean, damn, man, inflation's going to be going crazy. Like, this is a 10-year cycle, I think it is, for inflation. So it's like, we're getting to the end of it, or the beginning of it, I want to say. I don't know. We shall see what the long term does, though, man. So I always tell everybody, man, don't give a fuck what the other guy's trading strategy is. Don't give a fuck what my trading strategy is. Trade your trading strategy that works for you. And if it doesn't work for you, fuck. Hopefully you're able to fix it and make it so it works for you, or adopt another one. Because I know damn for sure my trading strategy ain't always right. Bro, I went and bought fucking Altria because I bought a pack of cigarettes, Mike. You know that? I went and bought fucking contracts on Altria because I bought my first pack of cigarettes in about 2 years. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go buy some Altria. Let's go buy some crazy ass calls on it. You know? It's been doing good, though. It's holding up. It's holding up. It's holding up, bro. I went for the 51 strike with plenty of time on it, and it's my little defensive play over there. My wife was like, dude, what is wrong with you? And I'm like, babe, it works. Like, I can't be the only one out there buying the first pack of cigarettes in like 2 years now. Fuck it. It's crazy. It's holding up, though. It's holding up. That was my trading strategy right there on Altria. Like, why'd you buy it? Because I bought a pack of cigarettes. The reason I still had it was because of all the fucking doomsday bear market content. I knew Cosmos had some fundamentals. It was ready to rip, but I panicked. Yeah, that's why, like, I don't even want to sell anything right now. Like, even looking at ASM where it is, like, I'm just going to hold it a little bit longer, give it a good 5-year investment strategy, and just, there it is, because that's it. I'm from Richmond, Virginia. Are you really, bro? Fucking damn, that's crazy. Altria, baby. So I was like, you know what? That's a defense play right there. I was like, let's get it. They sell cigarettes. It's good, man. Land of Marble. And it was a pack of Marble Lights, too, bro. Hell yeah. That was good, man. That was the way it worked on it, man. It worked. It's working out pretty good on those contracts. That's like the only other thing I got out there that's really holding up well. Those Altria fucking contracts. And the philosophy behind it was on point. Come on. But yeah, we got too many people running for the door, man. Yep. That's what I'm gonna be doing this next year, though. I'm gonna be following our money. Like, I just grabbed a position in a firm. Just, you know, we actually just paid off our firm, but that's why I went for it. I was like, well, fuck, we just paid our shit off. So I think a firm should be doing pretty well. Oh. But yeah, man. Defense is the game right now, Mike. And I even went for fucking oil, bro. Like, my buddy was asking me yesterday, he's like, so what are you buying? I'm like, bro, you want to know what I bought? I bought fucking WTI contracts, and I went for fucking TBT, which is a fucking bonds. Huh? Bonds, bro. I went for bonds. That's where I'm at right now. I'm fucking going for that, and, you know, Ford, of course, and AT&T. But yeah, there's where I'm betting on. I'm betting on fucking oil and fucking TBT bonds. Especially if they stop buying these TLT bonds like the way they're saying they're going to be doing it, then fucking TBT is going to go to the moon. Not, you know, literally, but, you know, maybe. I have a pack of marbles in my hand. It's nice, bro. Nice. That's why I was like, Altria, baby. Going for it. I think they're going to do well. You know? In inflationary asset in the world, I think people are going to start smoking a lot more. It's a fucking weird way, bro. Weird way. They're going to be stressed out. They're going to be, yeah. I'm going to go buy more Altria right now. More contracts. Man, what a crazy fucking... The 2021 is definitely not over yet. Like, 2022 is going to fucking be crazy. 2021 was nothing. Yeah, bonds are the direction we're heading until dirty old bastard Biden crooks. I think 2023 will be a good year after the left gets flushed out of the fucking Congress and Biden becomes a lame duck. Yeah. Yeah, I went for the 2023, was it 2023? The 2023 leaps on TBT. And the oil contracts were for end of summer. That's when they expire. I think July. And then, we still got fucking or not Grandpa, but Uncle Trump stock over there. DWOC doing its thing. I think it's in the gutter right now. That's actually not bad. DWOC, I mean, shit. DWOC is still the best performing SPAC ever. I'm actually up on DWOC. That's one of the ones that's still holding me up. That one and fucking, what's that other one that has nothing to do with them, but everybody's talking about it? Phoneware? Yeah, Phoneware has absolutely nothing to do with them, but, it's running. It was. It's still up on it. I got the 250 strike contracts for this one, too. They were up at like 400% the other day. I should have sold them, but I'm going to wait. Yeah, bonds and dividends. Fuck. I want to grab more Ethereum, but I think Ethereum Classic can come down more. I mean, Ethereum Classic is the one I want to grab more, but I think I wanted that fucking like 25, 20. I'm still buying Ethereum Classic, but not like, it's not nothing crazy. It's been still a monthly buy, like $100. Slowly dollar averaging in on fucking Ethereum Classic. Slowly, man. I'm way in on Ethereum Classic, bro. I got caught in on the fucking top. Well, almost the top, bro. I got caught in like right in here on the downtrend of all this bullshit, I was like, fuck. Yeah. To protect your money at all costs. Yep. At all costs. Like, I have a lot of option contracts going on, but it's funny because I still only have about like 9% of my portfolio is on contracts. Everything else is still fucking long-term stocks. I'm just holding on to the stocks. The options. I like playing the options though, because they make me feel like a gambler sometimes. Sometimes they hit. Or no, the only gamble I made was AA yesterday. AA, that was a gamble. I bought some Alcoa fucking contracts. They expire next week. I was gonna do a day trade. I should have did a day trade with them yesterday because they were up like $50 a contract, but I just held on to them because hell, they had good earnings. I just didn't expect the fucking market to sell off the way it did. Always gotta protect it, bro. Hey, that money tree's too easy to rip out, bro. And money likes people that keep it safe. Like I was saying, man, I'm still holding on to Tesla profits from those Tesla calls I made. I personally am avoiding the entire Ethereum blockchain. Gas is too expensive and much like Bitcoin. I think wouldn't fucking in a weird way NFTs do good in that then? With everything kind of coming down in a way. I think I want to grab some NFTs, bro. I want some NFTs. But yeah, gas prices are through the roof, huh? Yeah, wife wants to sell some of her Ethereum she's been holding on to for quite a while. I didn't realize the Ethereum she has is from like 2014, the one her brother gave her. Her brother gave her those like 30 coins. Yeah, she only put like $5,000 into Ethereum. Everything else was a gift from somebody. Back when nobody knew anything about it. Yeah, it's fucking very important, man, to protect your fucking cash. I've been saying that for I don't know how long already, man. Protect your cash. Don't ever be any more invested than you can afford. we got a lot more room to come back down on this shit, bro. That's gonna be wild. I can't believe how fucking far they let this shit run up, bro. Like when you zoom out and you look at the SPY, like, bro, man, that shit ran up a motherfucking rant. It just ran it, bro. Like, we ran it all the way from COVID. This bitch just continued to run. Fuck COVID. Ever since this shit over here, it just continued to run. When they fucking continue to let the fucking inflation run up, man. That shit looks nasty. Ford, baby. Ford. Gonna bet on Ford. Actually, Ford even got downgraded today, little bastards. Are you in on any fucking NFTs, Mike? You don't fuck around with those. Dude, I think we're gonna end up fucking testing this 330. Like, when everything's done and settled and everything, all this bullshit, like, not short, I mean, hell, the possibility is very high. The 330, I mean, hell, maybe 10 years, we'll probably come back and test that shit. Next 10 years, watch. The next 10 years, watch this file end up coming back to the fucking that 430 area. I mean, that 330 area. Crypto mining is about to die. Proof of stake to validate block in the future. That's why I made my move to Tenzo. Proof of stake. Proof of stake. Again, I have one layer 1 Tenzo's NFTs. Got Ubisoft and a fucking bunch of other major brands. I will cash in on the craze by holding the core network. That's the way to go, huh, bro? Just go for it and fucking hold the main thing, huh? Ubisoft. Man, they used to make good games back in the day, bro. Fucking Tropic Thunder, baby. Fucking what was it? Ghost Recon. Yeah. I used to play the shit out of that game. That was back when they used to make good games. All their first person shooters. Summit Strike, baby. That was mine right there. Summit Strike. I was all over that game. Food, man. Remember that? I mean, if anybody plays Summer Strike or First Strike, bro, we'd lock your ass in your spawn. You weren't going nowhere, bro. No. That shit was dirty tactics, man. I fucking missed that game, bro. I played that shit all night for fucking years. I actually still have the same gamer tag my son uses on the Xbox. Fucking Realist22. Dude, I started talking to a couple people from that shit, man. That was wild right there. I remember those games, man. That shit was fucking too fun, man. Microsoft will be, not now, but they are buying Activision. Yeah, they're trying to buy Activision. We were just talking about that before you came in here, actually. I think Netflix might be in line to buy Activision from them. There was a little rumor going on out there that, you know, Activision doesn't necessarily need to sell to Microsoft, and Netflix could be the next runner-up. I remember Netflix was trying to, you know, give GameStop a run for their money, but we'll see, though. We'll see. It's pretty interesting where Activision is. Yeah, Microsoft's been killing it, dude. Like, Microsoft, Apple, like, I'm sticking to, obviously, Apple. I'm a big Apple fucking, everything I have in the house is fucking Apple. Yeah, hopefully they get the deal, though. That'll fucking make Microsoft blow up. That's just them trying to get into the metaverse. That's why I like Roblox, baby. Roblox is where it's at. Like, everybody says metaverse. I'm like, shit, I'm gonna just go for the source, Roblo. I'm like, shit, go for the Roblo. Even though the Roblo calls are down a lot right now, dude. Those are in the gutter. They're worthless right now. Well, I wouldn't say worthless. They're still worth a little bit, but they're not worth what they were. They did lose a lot of juice on them. I'm still playing fucking the February 18th ones. I'm still playing the next earnings. Like, I got the 105. Yeah, I have the 105 contract here. They're not doing too hot. They're not doing too hot, bro, because they were worth about $800 a while back. Damn, bro, I got scammed hard on those ones, you motherfuckers. Oh, could get back to the 1990s and buy back Microsoft. I would be living on an island right now, you know. It's never too fucking late though, huh? But damn, that would have been nice. I'll hold on to Microsoft back in the 1990s. Yeah, I've been holding. We have Apple shares since before the 4-to-1 split they did. Oh shit, Jen Psaki speaking right now. Hang on, let me see. Did an old lady Nancy Pelosi go being deep in the bro? She went deep in the roll blow. She got the in the money contracts too. She got the 100 ones. I got the 105s before she got them, but I was like, yeah, Nancy Pelosi, baby. She's part of the roll blow team. She actually bought in IPO day too. Yeah, she originally bought in IPO day. All right, it's 9:45. Basically, everybody, I gotta shut this down and run in. Make sure the wife and kids are doing good. Take care of them. They're sick too now. Mike, thanks for coming in, bro. Hey, I always love chatting with you, man. Waldo, I know you're out there. Anybody else? Take care of yourselves. So catch you guys on the next one. And remember, don't forget to keep that cash safe, just like Mike said, man. I'm out.